Alright folks, welcome in, It is the build stream. We are your hosts, Kelsey and Juan.
Yo yo yo, how's it going? How goes it, everybody? Welcome into another build stream on a Thursday.
Oh yeah. And guess what? We got a big one for you.
A big one.
We got 4 builds coming your way.
Yes sir. 4 builds.
Is that it?
You got to wait a little bit.
Oh. What do you mean?
Just, you know. Trust the process.
Okay. I trust you.
Yeah, welcome in everybody. Welcome in, like 88, hello. Wave, hey.
Hello.
What's up? Welcome in everybody. We're getting started here at 12. Because we got a lot to do. Aiden is sick, so I'm here to hold this stream up. While Juan stands there and builds.
Oh yeah, he just stands there not doing shit.
Nice motherboard, thank you. That's a very good one. Yeah, the ASUS ones I've always considered my favorite. They just work. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a good Thursday. We're almost out of the week. I know everybody here is talking about when they're gonna go see the Odyssey in 70mm IMAX. It's wild. Hey Seneca, what are you doing on YouTube?
What's up, Nero? How's it going, man?
Yeah. Well, we're starting off today with DW's build. We saw them last time, so...
The W.
Yeah. So, sure, they'll be back. On the dock today, we've also got... This is the wrong thing. Yeah, we've also got... Eric M. and Elianaldo. All good, heck yeah. Well, I for one can't wait for the weekend. I don't have any plans except to stay inside away from the heat and play video games. I did that last weekend and I had a great time. I'm like, maybe I need more of this actually. I tried to be productive. I cleaned a couple rooms, did a lot of laundry, but mostly it was just sitting on the computer.
Sounds like a...
It was great. And I've been going for like walks at night, like to, after dinner, to digest. And like, I'll be getting out there at like 7:30 and it is still hot.
Jeez.
It's just horrible. What's up, people? What's up? How's it going, Heavy WX? How you doing?
Hey! Welcome in.
Welcome in. I was at a work retreat Monday and Tuesday, and I need to work out to get that gained weight down. Everyone gained at least 4 pounds. Ooh, good eatings. I'm good? Heck yeah, I love to hear that. Yeah, I've been worried about my sedentary lifestyle recently, so trying to walk more. And it's good, I get to take the dog on a big walk. He deserves it sometimes. What's up?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of dog you got? I got a poodle. A miniature poodle. Which is like the mid-sized poodle, if you will.
A mid-sized poodle? What kind of mileage you get on those?
It's like the toy poodle is the compact. The miniature is the mid-size, and the standard is the whatever the heck a Yukon is. Yeah, you ever seen a standard poodle IRL? They're huge.
The big ass one?
Yeah. Oh, I never heard of Royal. This dog doesn't stand with being that mean. Oh yeah. Yeah, after a while, like, I like dogs plenty, don't get me wrong, but for myself at least, I decided that about knee high was as far as I wanted to go size-wise. Because, like, you know, a little dog bites you, that's concerning, but it's not life-threatening. A large dog bites you, that's very concerning. Potentially threatening. Also, like, you know, he yanks and, like, it's fine. But, like, big standard poodle yanking me, and, like, suddenly I'm a kite. Like, yeah. Royal is the bigger big poodles? Okay, that makes sense. Never get a poodle and a corgi together.
Oh.
Why? Such an interesting thing.
That's what I would say, G.
I like my poodle. I think he's very cute. Well, he could be very cute, but he doesn't like to be groomed. And for that reason alone, I don't know if I'd go for another poodle. As much as I like him. He hates getting shaved, and he needs to because it just keeps growing. Otherwise, I was going to get a Sheltie. Nice. This is a nice case. Lian makes just some really solid stuff. The corgi gets the bright ideas, and the poodle will execute the corgi's ideas. Yep. Sounds about right. Oh, yoy. You know what I've realized I've been doing these walks is that I need to get some, like, actual walking shoes. Because walking in my docks for that long is not comfortable.
Yeah, I wouldn't think so.
I got high arches. So yeah, game I can't wait to play this weekend. I fell into it again last weekend. It's The Sims.
The Sims.
I got a new expansion pack, cause can, and it's like the life and death one. So I had this one sim who was working as like a Grim Reaper basically.
Working is wow.
Yeah, like under the Grim Reaper as like another like, you know, Reaper.
The Sub Reaper?
Yeah. And then she woohooed with the Grim Reaper. So now I'm playing as the son of the Grim Reaper and my other sim. And yeah, he went to college. He majored in the violin.
In the violin? I think you were gonna say violence.
And yeah, now he's raising a cow plant. So yeah, classic Sims. Sims 2. Please don't tell me you're still playing Sims 4. I am still playing Sims 4, off and on. I do still play Sims 2 though. Don't get me wrong. That was a game that it's crazy. Sims 2, it's like it hasn't aged a day. Other than some, like, you know, the fact that you have a landline in every home and, you know, you can just have, like, 5 kids and, like, it's fine. Like, the homes are affordable. That's the only thing that dates it. But otherwise, that game was so detailed. Sims 2 aged a little, but mostly just the loading screens. And the clothes. I'll give you the clothes. But Sims 4, even with all of its expansion packs and the way nickels and dimes you for everything, still doesn't have the level of detail that Sims 2 did. But to be honest, I played the DS version. Oh yeah, totally different game. I think the Sims 2 DS, was that the one where you're like at a hotel? Because I think I had that also. And you could get into the basement of the hotel or something, and you would find this suit, like a Batman layer thing, right? But the suit was like a rat suit, and it would turn you into the Raticator, a superhero. Yeah, and you could like dissect aliens. It was interesting. I only joke. I did have that one though.
Hey, what's up,
Achievers
Hellcat?
are here early. Yeah, it's just a big build stream. And your favorite 6, so. I found Sims 2 and 3 on my DS ROM set. Oh, really? Hey, I came in the chat a few days ago to tell you about the computer I bought, and I was impressed. I do have a question though. It was 16 DDR5. Do I upgrade it with the same brand with another 2.8, or do I get new 32 and get to upgrade to 64 in the future? Depends. So it's DDR5. With DDR5, it doesn't really like a 4-stick configuration. So if you add more sticks into it, and you're right, you would want to get the same brand, same timing, same size, it doesn't like to be clocked up. So you can run it at about 4,800, mega transfers per second, or like 4,400, and it'll probably be fine, but you won't be able to run it at its rated speed. DDR5 likes to just be in a 2-stick configuration. So if you wanted to upgrade to 32, I'd recommend just getting 32 gigs, like separate, and trading those in. But see how far 16 gets you, because you should still be fine for that for like vast majority of applications. No, sorry, no free PC. Dang, 15 stream streak, Hellcat, heck yeah!
Nice,
yeah, welcome. It was a rainbow vacuum, it's an air purifier, vacuum, carpet cleaner, etc. A rainbow okay, actually now I gotta look this up. One of my favorite things was finding all these like YouTubes from like random vacuum stores, and like finding out that there's like a huge amount of people out there who are just really passionate about vacuums. It was just kind of nice and refreshing. I mean, it makes sense, like we're passionate about computers, passionate about a lot of things. It makes sense that someone out there is just really passionate about vacuums. True. If you open a vacuum store...
Really, anything. And it's not a front for identity washing?
Yeah, maybe.
Breaking Bad fans.
Oh my gosh, this thing
What is that?
This thing is insane.
That looks very
Oh, is this the one where it collects the stuff in the water? Oh my gosh. And then you just like dump the water afterwards?
Oh, that's the $4,000?
How it works, let me see.
The lifestyle.
Wet dust can't fly, man. They really... What the heck? Yeah, it goes into like the water. That's wild. Dang, I wonder how like convincing the salesman was. Because I'd be skeptical at first, but like if they were just like...
Wet dust can't fly. Bro.
I'd be like, really? I know she said she got to use her farm tax ID to save $450. It's considered farm equipment. Go figure.
Hey, that's cool.
That's wild. Dang, I'm gonna look up some YouTubes about that later. Can I ask a tech question? Go for it. That's why we're here. Let me see. Use a 3-stick configuration, 16 on slot 2, and 8 and 3 and 4. Best
what the?
He's trolling. The Mafia uses autistic special interest stores, vacuum store, really specialty stores, as fronts. I could see that. I don't know though, I feel like you're really lucky though if you run into the one legitimate one, because like when I was shopping for a vacuum, that was the thing, is like, I need someone who like knows this. There's nothing better than when you're in the market for something, and you know somebody who knows something, you know what I mean? purchased a Skytech build a little less than a year ago, and it has a GIGABYTE B650 AMD series motherboard. GCC is prompting a BIOS update from F36 to F39. It wouldn't allow me to update from GCC app. I'll have to create a USB boot drive, yada yada. Do you recommend updating or leave it alone? Okay, so that's a good question. Is there any particular reason that you were trying to upgrade? Like, USB acting weird, or anything going, like, funky with the computer, or are you planning on, like, upgrading the CPU anytime soon, or anything like that?
App Center
Nope.
is pestering them.
Okay, yeah. Honestly, I wouldn't worry about it.
Yeah, just leave it.
Yeah.
If it ain't broken.
Yeah. Putting it on a USB and just, like, BIOS flashing it yourself is really easy to do. But honestly, I would say as long as your computer isn't giving you any kind of like weird performance things, which if it ever is, I always recommend a BIOS update just in case. It's crazy the amount of things that has like, you know, I've just done that as like a Hail Mary, and it's like, oh yeah, this weird USB issue you were having,
More
somehow
like
fixed.
Yeah, Hail Marys are pretty good.
Yeah. But yeah, otherwise, or like I said, if you're going to be upgrading your CPU, an updated BIOS will be able to recognize the new chip. But if you got no reason to, I would just hold off on it.
Yeah, if anything, just turn off App Center notifications so you gotta stop being pestered.
Perfect, thanks. You were very welcome. That's a good question, actually.
I was kind of scared when they brought up that motherboard. I'm not gonna lie.
I think the GIGABYTE control center bugging, yeah, probably. A bad BIOS update can brick your board. True, though I've BIOS updated like several thousand motherboards at this point, and I've only ever bricked 2, and I was able to bring them back.
With tools that they don't have access to.
No, the BIOS renamer. You know what I mean?
The little...
So like, you know when it like does that error and just goes to that like white screen with the like, not white screen, black screen with the little like white text that's like you need to rename this to blah blah blah?
Oh,
yeah. So then you use the...
not bricked.
Yeah, but like that's the closest I've ever been.
Okay, yeah.
And there was a time when we were like stressing tables of 3090s, and I forgot that you could only run like 3 of those at a time, or it would trip the breaker of the like circuit I was on.
Yeah.
And like I'd forget, you know, how many I was running, and then suddenly, poof, while they were updating, while they were doing all sorts of stuff. So, yeah, I've tested the limits of it in quite some ways.
Do you know what happened to those little devices that we plug into the motherboard?
Oh, the switches?
And we're just like straight, dude. I think we didn't even have to power the motherboard on to flash the chips, dude. Those things were nifty.
Yeah.
I think they got lost in the move. Hey, what's up, Muhammad? It is also 12 for us here.
Yeah, the other 12.
PM, yeah, the other 12.
Haven't slept well lately, allergies hit at night and can't breathe. Oh, I feel that, Hellcat. For me, it's not, well, partially allergies, but it's been so hot, so either I'm running a fan or I'm running the air conditioning, and it makes the house super dry, and that just, my nose won't quit getting mad at dust. It sucks when you can't get like a good night's sleep. Just had it happen with the Z370 Gaming Plus. Oof, yeah, that's an old one. I do think it's definitely more of a problem with like the older the boards. They've got a lot more ways to kind of bring it back from the brink. That being said, don't get me wrong, I've killed many a board in my time, just not in a BIOS update. Can you resend that winning PC email to me? Wink, it hasn't reached me. Anywho, what's up? Hey, Chuck1, how you doing?
What up, dude?
Oh man, we're good. You know, just got a big stream. Some laptops have BIOS recovery modes, and when enabled, if a BIOS flash fails, you can hit the Shift-Alt-V or B or something, and it will fix it. Nice, yeah. Yeah, there's usually ways around most like things like that, as long as it still turns on and powers. Feel ya, I kicked my ass last night too. Oof. Bad time for allergies. My grandma's really passionate about vacuums. Sounds like a cool lady. That's adulthood, man. You get really excited for things like that. It does really good. I play COD, Apex, and Fortnite. I was like F and COD. Fortnite, COD, Apex, and I do Blender. Oh, very nice. Heck yeah. Blender's such a good program.
Hey, Blender.
For real.
I need to learn
I
Blender.
can't believe that's free. Like, I'm glad it is. Like, don't. Yeah. Also, from a 5070 to a 9070 XT, is there any difference between the apps that I need and shouldn't do? No, as long as you've got the correct drivers on there.
Yeah, just the drivers.
That's all you need. Jess, do you mind if I ask one more question? You can ask as many questions as you want. I was like, that's why we're here. And when there's no questions, then we just start talking about random stuff. So keep us on track. Or keep us off track. Whatever you want to do. Yo, Juan and Kelsey, how are y'all doing? We're good. We're good. We're almost through the week. Yeah. Very excited to play video games all weekend. And, yeah. Do nothing else. We're bad this year. Yeah. I just want to say that I truly appreciate you guys and how fast the customer service team responds. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, our customer service team is really awesome. They're fantastic. They go above and beyond, and yeah, they're just right upstairs. I love them. Whatever you do, don't take Benadryl. There's a link between Benadryl and Alzheimer's. I always feel like Benadryl's the thing to take when you're like, oh, I'm having a big reaction, and like, I gotta shut this down. I took Claritin for a while, but after a while I was like, I feel like the drowsiness it was giving me wasn't worth the benefit. Bought a PC through Meta and had nothing but problems with it from day one. A year later I found you guys and love the build I got. Very nice.
Nice.
Love that.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah. That's treating you right. Nothing but problems from Meta. Ooh, noted.
Dang, Mark Zuckerberg.
I don't think it's that bad.
I'm playing off one.
Let's talk about our 1K US dollar vacuum cleaner, shall we? I would love to, but it hasn't arrived yet. When it does, trust me, I probably will not shut up about it.
That reminds me of my favorite video of all time. I must talk about it.
I must.
Because it came up on my timeline. Where is it? Here it is.
What?
I just tossed my phone and it bounced. I did a Kelsey right now.
How much should I sell my GIGABYTE 5070 12 gig? Practically new. Ooh, that's a good question.
$1,000. I don't know.
I would
I don't know.
hold on to it for like another week or two. I hear GPUs are going to bump up again a little bit. And then assess.
Assess the situation.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Naruto? Hey, dude.
Welcome in.
Hey, shout out to you for letting me know about the Newegg deal. I actually did cop the 5800 X3D.
Heck yeah.
10th anniversary AM4 edition.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Maybe if we have a shorter stream one of these days, I'll bring in my PC. We'll do an upgrade.
Well, actually, for Intel Gamer Days, we're going to be bringing on a Monday stream.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah. If you want to bring it in and we can showcase it.
Yes, my AMD PC.
It's fine. We're going to be giving away AMD or Intel things. That's fine.
Damn, what Monday?
Well,
Damn, Mondays?
from the 10th through the 7th.
Oh, God, a whole month of Mondays?
Yeah. So watch out for that.
Does the fellas know that you signed them up for Mondays?
Well, Kay and I are the ones who basically signed up for
Oh,
it.
okay.
Yeah, we're going to rope in people as needed.
They're going to be real happy about that.
It's going to just be a 2-hour stream.
Uh-huh.
It's going to have a start time, a stop time, and it's going to have a bit of a structure so that hopefully, I don't know how it works. We're just playing with it. We're seeing what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so glad I went with your guys' pre-build. Thank you so much. I'm glad
Thank
you
you,
did
thank
too. Could not be happier. I love that. From where did you buy it? China, then GG's, enjoy your digital vacuum. No, that was the whole thing, is that I just didn't want, I wanted something that wasn't gonna break, that had parts, like, available for when it does, and had a good warranty. So, the main thing is I didn't want something that I was gonna have to worry about crapping out in a year, like the shark! Yeah. So, it's from Germany. Having problems, so my PC was working fine, then I shut it off to turn it back on. Now I'm getting no signal, but fans and RGBs are on, and there's no power going to my keyboard. Okay. No signal, but fans and RGB are on. Okay. Here's the first thing I would try. Turn the power button in the back of the PC, the one that's on the power supply, turn it off, which is O. And then hit the power button like just a million times, just like spam that for like a good 15 seconds. Then turn the power back to on, which is the one, and hit the power button. See if then it will give you a display. If not, well then there's like a whole other thing of troubleshooting after that. But try that, because like went from totally working, you shut it down, now it's having an issue, like coming back on, makes me think it's a static issue.
Yeah, no pause, something.
Yeah. Is your monitor showing anything? It could be an HDMI cable problem if you're not getting a display. Yeah, very, very possible. Basically, once you do that, and just rule out that it's not like a static electricity issue, you want to go and follow the signal. Check if the RAM's good. Yeah. So after you try that, after you try the like power off, spam power button, power on, try it. If that still doesn't give you a display, what you're gonna do is once it's on and like the fans are spinning, keyboard's lit up, and all of that, what you're gonna do is like give it a second to kind of like how long would it normally take to get into Windows. What you're gonna do then is hit the power button just once, and you're gonna wait. If the power does not go off at all, that means that it's not posting. If it goes off after a couple of seconds, that means that it got into Windows. You're just not getting a display, which means check your HDMI, check your GPU, check the connection to the monitor. And if it just doesn't turn off at all when you do that, and like mind you, after it's taken about as much time as it normally would take to get into Windows, if it just does not turn off, that's a no post problem. So, just two different branches of troubleshooting. If I get a 1440p OLED for my new PC, what refresh rate should I get for the 9070 XT, of course? Ooh, OLEDs are a little tough for me because I don't really know what prices they tend to have and all that, but I would go for like 165 hertz or up. Get yourself something nice. But 165 is about what I would think is like perfect for something like the 9070 XT. Your monitor right now is 180. Did you guys ever check out Frogboy X1 videos and see how big of a tech gamer he is? Nah, I haven't gotten around to it. Is he like a tech YouTuber, or like is he selling PCs? Yeah, it just should be minimum 180. Find something more. Okay, jumping back over to Twitch. Oh, sweet, it's a really nice chip. Load the Ryzen 5s. Yeah, honestly, man, AM4 had some stuff on it, I'll tell you what. Can I buy just RAM from you guys? I bought 32 gigabytes, but I want to upgrade to 64 gigabytes. Also, I have to put this to upgrade my CPU. It's not intended, but for the future if I wanted to. So you can't just buy RAM from us, unfortunately. We only sell, like, PCs, not components. When the time comes for you to upgrade your CPU, it's really not that difficult. What I would recommend, though, before moving any parts in your machine, When you get that new CPU, update your BIOS in case that CPU is newer than the BIOS version that you currently have. So that way it'll recognize it when you put it into the motherboard. Otherwise, just go real simple, real slow, and be very careful with it. Watch videos. Because, yeah, otherwise it's not really that difficult to do. Lay the PC on its back, too, so you're not having to, like, you know, put it in this way. Putting it in this way. All parts made in China. Unplug and plug back in all your cables. That's actually not a bad option. Unplug and plug all your cables, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure several of the parts are made in China. But the company's from Germany. Plenty of video showing just CPU upgrades. Remember to flash your BIOS, your CPU is compatible for your upgrade. Yeah, see, everyone's got it. Hello, American Offset.
Yo, yo.
Had to change up my build from last stream a little bit. Oh, very cool, very cool. It's odd because my mouse turns on, but my keyboard doesn't turn on like it usually does. Mouse turns on, but my keyboard doesn't turn on. Interesting. So if the keyboard's not turning on, it's probably not getting into Windows. Well, I don't know, because even if it gets into BIOS, it turns on then. But that's interesting. But those are the two things I would try. Is just like static discharge at first. Power off. Button to discharge everything. Turn it back on, try to do that. And then seeing if when you press the power button when it's on and all the fans are spinning but you're getting no display, to see if it turns off after a couple of seconds or if it doesn't turn off at all. My roommate just dropped 5400 on a ROG Miku combo.
Good
oh man,
Lord.
we had that combo. It was pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, at least you got a good deal.
I was like, there's plenty of PCs you can get for that, like 5400. Like, that's not a bad one, that's for sure.
Yeah, for that.
He's a mechanic that's been in PC gaming for only 4 years, but tells people the 9070 XT is better than a 5090. Also tells people AMD 2X FG is really 4X MFG like Nvidia's. Oh, yeah, that's false.
Yeah.
9070 XT is not like a 5090.
No. I don't know what we can do about it though.
This build's almost identical to mine. Yeah, I was like, it's a very popular build, I'll tell you that. Very nice. Very beefy machine. I need help updating my BIOS. I just got a PC. Is there any way you can help me? Yeah. So updating your BIOS is pretty easy. We've also got some videos, like some shorts on our YouTube. If you want to search for that, I got one that kind of walks you through it. But basically, you're gonna go to the website where your motherboard is. So type in your motherboard, the whole name of it. You're gonna find the website site that has your motherboard. You're gonna click on support. You're gonna go and look at drivers. You're gonna get the BIOS. You're gonna download that onto a USB. And then to get into the BIOS to flash it, you're going to restart the computer and you're going to spam the delete key. That's what's going to get you into the BIOS. From there, you're going to look for something like M-Flash or, BIOS Flash, whatever. It's going to read the USB for that file, and it'll update it. But if you are confused on that, because I just said a lot of words, we do have a video on it. Give me a second and I can probably link it. Doesn't turn off at all? Ooh, okay, so that is a no post. Interesting. And nothing about the PC changed from when it was working to where it's not, right? Like, it wasn't moved at all in any kind of way. Just sudden no post. Oof. That can be tough. Unfortunately, I was like, the no post is a much harder thing to troubleshoot. Of course, but he tells people that 97XT better at AI and tells them FSR looks better than DLSS. Yeah, I feel like that's all subjective and they basically do the same thing. I mean... Y'all know how to fix a stuttering keyboard? Stuttering keyboard makes me think... Keyboard. That makes me think driver issue. Like there's an issue with
the USB driver?
Yeah. If it's like by anybody like Razer or Corsair and runs through any kind of program and all that, I would update that software. Yeah, otherwise I would look at your motherboard and I would see, I would go to the website for it, look at support, and just see if there's any USB drivers or anything in there that you can kind of refresh on. Because that sounds like a driver issue. Exactly, he calls himself Captain Radiant. Hello, anyone calls him that out for his lies, he gets mad and blocks. Dang. Homie really loves Radeon. I don't know much about PCs, so I don't know exactly how to download the BIOS. I see the update, but I get the files. Oh, but to get the files. I got you, yeah. So it's like you gotta go and download the BIOS itself, like off of the internet first, and then get it onto there.
Is there a reason that you're trying to update this BIOS, by chance? Just wondering.
Just clean my fans. I went through and everything is plugged in. Oh, interesting. So the fans are cleaned in the meantime. Fans are clean, now no post. What do you think?
Static?
I thought the same thing, yeah. Did you try the thing where you turn the power off in the back, and then hit the power button like 25 times and then turn the power back on, hit it?
Or pull the CMOS?
Or pull the CMOS, that's not a bad option either. So there's this thing, where is it on
It
here?
might be covered on this motherboard.
No, it's over here, luckily.
Oh,
There's this thing called the CMOS battery, it's on every
it's
motherboard.
like a little watch battery?
Sometimes it's like plugged in, it's like on its side and it's like plugged into the motherboard, in which case you just unplug that little thingy and then you plug it back in when you're done. But CMOS batteries here, you pop it out, do like I said before, turn off PC, spam, you know, power button to just charge all the static off of it, and then pop the CMOS battery back in, turn it back on, see if that works. Cause yeah, if all you changed was like cleaning your fans and you didn't unplug anything or anything you plug back in, it's most likely a static issue, or I would just check your connections.
Yeah, maybe something got off.
Yeah, or like something looks like it's back in but it isn't. Okay, hold on, I gotta jump back over to Twitch. RAM was compatible with Mobo. Ah, got you. Yeah, DDR5 has a lot of lovely things. Switch from Riptide to ASUS X870 and RAM
Postworks news,
from
I missed it. No, dude, this is yours.
6400 megahertz, Thermaltake to 6000 megahertz.
We are still in the deep of it.
Yeah, there's still plenty.
There's still plenty, bro. Don't worry. We're kind of we're like 30 minutes in.
Yeah, it was good. Is the surge protector power on? Might have tripped without you knowing. That is true, yeah. Check your,
Well, then the whole PC wouldn't power
I guess
on.
that is true, yeah. Yeah. Wait, do you unplug his fan? Sounds like he might have misconnected a fan and shorted his board. Possible. Although, if all the fans are spinning, I wouldn't think that it was that, yeah. Like, you'd probably notice, because, like, one fan isn't spinning, or, you know, you can kind of tell where in the daisy chain it, like, fails. Yeah. I know, it's always hard to, like, troubleshoot over words.
Oh, yeah, over words.
I really gotta give it to, like, folks in CS who, like, listen to stuff over the phone all the time. Because, like, for me, I'm a really good troubleshooter, but, like, I gotta have, like, my hands in the machine, you know what I mean? Tomorrow's Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Oh my gosh.
You said this week was going by slow.
Can you believe it again? I still feel it's going by slow.
What?
It took me a long time to get to Thursday. What can I say?
No, dude. I kept thinking yesterday was Thursday, like so many times.
Oof.
Yeah, no, that hurt actually, because then I would remember what it actually was.
I keep having this problem where, like, I have a hard time sleeping at night. You know, I get up to go to the bathroom a couple times, and, like, I'm only doing that because I'm not sleeping well, you know? That's how I, like, mark it. And then, like, I fell asleep, real good sleep. like an hour or two before I had to wake up, I'm sure. Because when I woke up, I was like, ah.
Go back to sleep, dude. Fuck it.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
No.
You can do anything you want in this
I
life.
have to go to work. I gotta make a living.
When are you switching schedules? Give me that 10 a.m. Kelsey.
Like,
You're like scroll. God damn it.
Late March?
Oh, come on, dude.
Potentially. Once your eyes are over 40, it all looks good. Oh yeah. The big one. Sam, we get no signal?
Oof.
Okay. And clean. How'd you clean the fans? It's like condensed air? I still think static though, that's what's weird.
Yeah, fuck it. Another long shot. With the again power supply turned off. Reset your RAM.
Yeah. Never a bad option.
I mean, you're already in there. Might as well.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to do. Dry wipe? Yeah, so that shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, I would just reseat RAM. At this point, like, reseat RAM.
Whatever, bro.
Yeah, like,
anything else you can think.
yeah. The no post at that point is very strange. How about that gaming laptop and mouse? And
Don't put me on
that.
Jesus.
No,
Are you
sorry.
asking? Oh, okay. I see.
I won't put you in time.
We don't even
as long as
carry-
you don't spam.
Do we have laptops right now? Or is that on
No,
the?
not
Yeah,
right
that's
now.
on the back burner.
Yeah. I play on 15 to 30 FPS. Have mercy with no mouse.
Hey man, so do we. We all came from the same beginnings.
True, ballistic, see if it boots. Yeah. You can always test RAM one at a time too.
Mhm. Oh yeah. Actually, that's a good point. Put them in one at a time. Put them back in one at a time.
You know, am I invisible or something? I mean, maybe. You haven't talked for a bit.
Who?
Mom.
Oh.
Reseat RAM, reseat GPU, unplug and plug back in that GPU cable, yeah. Although, GPU cable wouldn't be for a no post. Unless it was just really upset at the fact that there was a no VGA error.
Perhaps.
Which I have seen, not for VGA, but I've seen it before, get really mad that there was no boot in there, and it was like, what, no boot? And like, it just was like, mad about it. Like, I'm not gonna post at all. And it's like, you should be able to go to BIOS, what are you doing? It's like, no!
Just not working at all.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming together. With the reverse fans on the bottom so that they face up.
You found
But
it?
they bring it in.
Oh, bro, this stream immediately got like 2 hours longer. We have the back. Is it still? Is it over? Oh no, yeah, still going. We got the Backrooms short film playing, and then this dude found the actual Backrooms movie, and is playing it in front of me.
We're gonna get copyright struck from like the tiny
That- well-
thing like there. Wouldn't that be so funny though?
That's just a YouTube. That little square.
I also like how the more I try to like get out of the way of it, the more in the way of it I actually get.
You found it on Twitter, you said?
Yes, I linked it again.
Oh my god. Yo, pay attention.
What?
This is good stuff.
To where?
The movie.
The movie.
I'm looking at blocked by her screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, forget these people, bro. This is good stuff. No, I'm playing.
Just move down real quick.
Yeah,
I was
just like
all I can see is like
parts of yellow.
Handy's lap, like.
What? Yo. Reverse. Sorry, now I'm thinking about that because the band. How long is the short film? It's longer than the actual movie.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Because the short film is a bunch of like projects like put together basically.
Oh yeah.
That's what I was saying earlier. It's like it's different plots, and they're saying like that's more coherent than the movie, which is like what?
Mm.
It's not like objectively. Yeah, you might enjoy it more, sure.
Man, I saw that there was a cupcake here earlier.
Where?
I regret not asking for something.
Oh, Handy already.
I
gave
know.
it.
I was like at the time. I'm like I don't need it. And now I'm like, dang.
That's hilarious because I walked past it and like it still like went after me, bro. I was like, fuck, I don't want sugar.
Hi, Mike Gaming. How are you doing?
What's up, Mike?
Good. Yeah.
And immediately I was just like, all right, who would I offload this to? Got all reliable.
That's true. If you ever need to like get rid of food, Handy will take it and eat it.
Well, there's less nicer ways you could have said that. So.
I'm just saying, like it's good.
No, I know.
Homie knows how to save money, so that he can gamble.
What's his? He said he stopped.
You know what's so sad?
What?
When I went to Jose to Toyland to buy Magic,
Yeah.
the fucking vendor was like, we play this game where you buy a booster bag, you know, there's 2 boosters. So if you buy 1 booster and you bet on, and then we both rip the boosters, right? To get cards. And then we see who has the better cards. And if you win, you get to keep mine, you lose, I get to keep yours.
What?
What? How does it? What?
It's more this like, it's like a thing where you buy 1,
Yeah.
and then you bet
You
on
potentially you could get 2 packs.
2, but you have to open the packs to see which one has better cards. If whoever has better cards keeps it. And I did that.
And
I
you.
lost it.
Always bet against Handy.
Oh, I know, right?
When does
Dude,
Costco snack run? Man, those were the days.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Bro.
There was one time when they sent me and Kay, because I had a Costco card, and that was a mistake. We got like Gushers. We got like a 12-pack of like Trolley gummy worm bags. Like, oh man, it was bad. If you need to get rid of a body, Handy will.
Handy. I
Handy, you
think,
want to eat this?
I
Just like
think
a
you
whole
used up your entire luck at the casino one time.
Mm.
Maybe.
And you haven't regenerated it.
Since then, it went downhill.
Yeah.
GIGABYTE thermal gel leakages fixed or not? I honestly have not seen that.
I've not heard of
so
it.
I'm pretty sure it's fixed. If it's known enough to be out on the internet, then GIGABYTE's fixed it, as far as the new stuff going forward. But from what I understand, it was probably like just a manufacturing error, so probably like a batch. But I haven't run into that. I haven't seen that reflected in RMA. Add me on YouTube channel? Oh, I can't. I'm not in charge of this YouTube channel. I just work here. Appreciate you though. Yo, can y'all reply to my previous request? LOL. Which one?
Is it about the story? I don't know if that might not be the place for that here, to be honest.
Casino luck is 7-year cooldown. Oh, handy. 7 years until you're good at the
Casino 7-year cool. Oh damn, dude, that's 2 World Cups.
Shoot, we'll probably still be going to CES in 7 years.
Yeah,
Casino
dude, you gotta stay
time.
at the casino. Oh man.
I don't know. I don't have any casino luck. Although, me and Handy, when we were in Las Vegas, we did find this one, like, horse betting game that had, like, little mechanical horses that ran around in a race and you had to bet on them. Yeah. We both did very bad. That one was rigged.
It probably was.
No, what I have to do is do what Kim does and just gamble on blackjack and she just wins for some reason.
Yeah.
Put it all on red.
At roulette. She's, like, actually good at roulette. The only way to win in Vegas is at the buffets. Man, I wish that was still true, but I feel like
probably not.
I feel like they're too expensive now. It used to be so good back in the day. There's like a casino out this way that's got, well, I guess not out this way, it's closer to where I'm from, that has like a lobster buffet. And I haven't gone since I like became an adult, but I'm like, do I go just for the lobster?
Just for the
It's a buffet of lobster, because they know they get in that way, and then you'll
a
probably
lobster from a casino.
gamble. Hey, casinos have good food. You joke, but for my anniversary we went to this, what was it? We went to this casino because they had an oyster bar there. And it was like legit, just like kind of like a bar in the middle of the casino. But, like you sat around, they like, you know, so we got oysters, this like seafood stew that was so good. It was like clam chowder plus.
What?
Yeah, it had like mussels in it and like all just yummy. And then we also got sushi there that was really good. And
Casino
it was incredible.
sushi?
Yeah.
I feel like you're fucking with me.
No, this place was good. And you know what's crazy is that we went there because I was like, we were gonna go to the really fancy one. This is at Moraga. We were gonna go to the really fancy one at like the top floor, you know? And I was looking at the menu and I was like, man, these prices are steep. And I was like, what do you want to go to the seafood bar downstairs, spend half the money on more things, and it's seafood? And so we did that, and it was way better.
Casino Clams.
Casino
Wait,
clams.
there's an artist called Clams Casino. That's actually.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I think I'd rather risk it with the AutoZone gumbo.
Casinos are known for their food.
I think they're known for their scamming of people.
Well, I mean, yeah, that's...
I don't know, but he did say the win at Vegas is the buffets.
Yeah.
That context.
Actually, if you go to like a breakfast buffet there, bomb. Breakfast is
No,
the best
dude,
food.
I've been to Vegas twice, and neither time I've seen a wild animal.
Hmm?
Where are they going?
What?
I feel like some of these casinos be feeding them people raccoon ankles. Not one squirrel in sight, dude. Damn, I wish I had volume.
What?
I wish the TV had volume.
Oh, volume. They said that you wish you had an Aldi, and I was like, do you? well, let me tell you something about Aldi.
Okay, go ahead, I guess.
No, nothing. I just love it.
Oh.
I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, dude, let me show you a picture of this seafood place.
Oh my god. Inside a casino.
Dining. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. This was. Honestly, I wouldn't get the oysters again. They were too expensive and they weren't that great. I had better oysters in Las Vegas. Yeah, yeah. At least nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Maybe I'm just hungry. It's coming together.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I hate to say it, but like, you know how I was like, oh, I'm gonna get off my phone and I'm gonna be more productive?
Yeah.
Well, yesterday, there was just a bunch of reruns of How I Met Your Mother on TV, and I just sat and watched that. And like, it still felt more productive, and I was like, I forgot how much I love this show. Stay away from the iceberg lettuce. Oh yeah, for real.
No, I know, right?
I'm not gonna lie, I have that big commute, so I was like, I'm just gonna eat cooked vegetables while that was happening. Now that we know it's lettuce, I'm like, okay, good. Go back to things like cilantro. Although it was actually funny, somebody up in CS was like, oh gosh, guys, I just realized where my salad was from. And it had the, like, on the ranch, it had Taylor Farms.
Oh no!
Like, I'm sure by now, like, anything that that they've, like, recalled it, but it was just like,
that's scary.
Jump scared by the salad. Bold to be choosing salad, though, like, in this time. Nice build, thank you. Yeah, that's a real beast of a machine right here.
I saw a random picture of someone's Taco Bell meal, and they captioned it, "The safest day to fly was September 12th." It's like, Jesus Christ. It's like, alright, I guess, I mean, fuck it.
This stream always makes me hungry. I'm so sorry, that is definitely a side effect.
That is her fault, entirely her fault.
I can't not talk about food when I'm hungry. POS Facebook had me reboot my PC to send a message. Whoa, weird. That is weird.
What?
That's wild. I'm definitely up all night after that.
Alright, folks. This build is done. We just finished. It's complete.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, folks, this PC is done. He's gonna go and get Windows put on
Windows!
it. All the drivers that you need out of the box is ready to go. You can just set up your profile, download your game launchers, you're good to go. We're also going to stress test this, make sure the components work and work under load. When it passes all that, it'll be headed to you. So watch out for DW, and thank you so much for ordering with us.
Thank you.
Gorgeous PC. Just nice. Lovely. Alright, we are moving on, moving right along. We'll wait till one brings the next one. One, pick whichever one you want next. Okay. Alright. We got M's build next. Thank you. You're very welcome, W. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy it.
My bad. We should probably break up the kings. Because there's two kings.
True, I guess. Okay, just kidding, M. Yours will be after the king.
Wait, are they here?
I don't know. M, are you here? Because if so, I will...
The ghost event?
It might be, actually. They were here last time. Okay. Let's just do the Azure 3. We'll just do 2 kings.
Okay.
Yes. Are you on Twitch? Yes. We're on Twitch and YouTube, but we jump chats a lot, so sometimes takes a bit to get back to you.
This is gonna be a king over all my app.
2 fans out. Is that starting to be normal? Yeah, for the O11 Vision we do it just because you want more exhaust in there. Since it doesn't have the top fans to like help take the cool air out, you need those 2 back in the rear. You can build without it, but you get significant like temperature improvements with the 2. You don't need that though on every case. Like any kind of mesh front that's got like fans in the front and a rear exhaust, that's usually fine. I want 50/80 money. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Thanks for the answer. Yeah, no worries. So when I was playing Sims, sorry, there's still more in this. Chat's a little sleepy right now, so you have to learn about my Sims. So I had the child who was the son of the Grim Reaper, right? Mm-hmm. Well, he had a half brother that I thought the guy was pretty attractive, so like they had a baby, but when the baby showed up, the baby was like looking just like, oh, not a cute baby. So I was like, it's okay, cool. I'm gonna follow on with the guy who's the Grim Reaper's son, because he grew up to be like, you know, a cool looking kid. I'm like, awesome. I got played. By the time that kid grew up to be an adult, he kind of looked a little weird. He had some weird, you know, features. Just wasn't looking as cool as I thought he was gonna look. And the ugly baby ended up being beautiful. I was like, you're kidding me. So like here I am getting ready to send this other one like, you know, off and like be my main sim, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna regret this. The other one's beautiful. It's funny. They got me with that. I need 50-90 money to redo my kitchen. Cabinets alone are just like incredibly expensive. I hope I never have to change my cabinets.
Hey, thank you for the follow.
So kitchen, real life, fake life? I want Radeon Pro W7900 money. Ooh, yeah, don't we all?
Oh, good.
Yo, this is Jared, who got a build back, made on stream about 9 days back. Just wanted to say I'm absolutely in love with it. The scripts and cables were all top notch. Grabbed FFX VI, which I know Roman numerals 16, to be the first thing to play on it today. Thanks a lot, guys. Oh, you're very welcome.
Nice, dude. I'm glad you're liking it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Glad it's treating you well. I'm glad you like it. It's so good. It's always good to know that it gets to you in like one piece and works all well. So enjoy that. I haven't played Final Fantasy 16 yet, but when it was coming out, I really wanted to. So yeah, let me know if it's good. Move from YouTube. Do you prefer people on Twitch or YouTube? I guess I prefer people on Twitch, especially because if we do any kind of giveaways in the future, Twitch is going to be like our only way of doing that. So if you're on Twitch, if we ever do giveaways, you get to participate. Mainly because we can't like, you know, DM people on YouTube, so it's easier for us to do that on Twitch. And with Intel Gamer Days coming up, we might have some giveaways coming up. Not any PCs, but game codes, you know, swag, etc. We also were streaming on Twitch a lot longer than we've been streaming on YouTube, so we got a pretty good fan base on there. A following, if you will. Swag is always good. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. We got some T-shirts from Intel, some other cool things.
Some chippies.
Yeah. Mouse pads, lots of chippies.
Yeah, 2 rounds of chippies. I wonder how that happened.
Yeah. Thank you for the answer. You're very welcome. Oh, it's the snacks from the car dealership. I was like, peanut? The phantom whiff of one.
Dude, they're called cars. With the K.
Oh.
Cars.
Do you think they bought that because they're a place that sells cars?
They have to. I don't know. That's so random.
Dude, have you ever been like at like a dealership, like getting your car serviced or something, and like, what is the show that's on the TV? There's always a TV. What are they playing?
I don't know.
Man, the Hyundai one that I used to go to when I lived in Corona was, it was always on like the Game Show Network. And boy, did you not want it to be once you were there for a couple of hours, which you always were.
Girl, I toss them the keys and I GTFO. I don't know, a couple hours.
Well, I didn't have anyone to pick me up, so it's like...
They have a courtesy shuttle.
Do they? I don't even at Hyundai.
You have to ask. The squeaky wheel gets the grease.
Yeah, I'm not squeaky. And like each time I was there for like 8 hours, it's crazy.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. That was when they were like replacing my engine and all that, yeah.
Oh my god, dude, you are somebody's story.
No, the worst
Dude,
one. The worst one.
Do you hear this? Imagine the technician, like, yeah, dude, I had an engine swap and I had a waiter. What the?
I couldn't, like, they didn't offer me nothing.
Yeah, of course not. Why would they want to spend their gas? You have to ask. I guess maybe it's like if it's that's crazy, dude.
But yeah, the worst one was I had a friend who was having a birthday party that day, like down in San Diego, and I was like, okay, but freaking dad.
Wait.
What?
Check that. This is a good part. This is a good part. Boom.
Oh, what?
The scene.
I can't see anything.
What? Oh. Dude, they do the no clip thing from the game where, like, from games where you can see, like, the little line, and then, like, as you move, like, it... I've never seen that in real life. I was like, what the fuck? How did they do that?
I'm back. Hi again. Hi, Slixy. How you doing?
Hello. Sorry, I straight up, like, cut your story. You were saying?
Anyways, yeah, so I had, like, a birthday party, and this was when we had to do the thing where I had to come in every 1,000 miles to show them that the oil was, like, disappearing.
Oh, right, when it was...
And so, yeah, so my dad's like, no, just do it this morning, and then yeah, you can come down and go to that party later. And I was there from 8 a.m. to, like, 4 p.m.
Dude.
From that. Well, I think part of it was like they had to like wait for authorization from Hyundai to like do things because I was there on the weekend. Like, it was a whole thing.
You need to be more care in life.
Can't. It's out of my nature. I was born a doormat. I'll die a doormat.
No. That's crazy.
This is the consequence of training your child to be like obedient. Is that like they'll just be like okay about everything. Okay, Ryzen 9 and 5090 RTX and same PC. Yeah. Yeah, you could have like a Ryzen 9 9950 X3D and a 5090. Or even like a 5900X if you really want to go all the way back to AM4 and a 5090. You want to, up the resolution, but yeah, totally good.
I can't believe this is the most insanest thing I've heard. Waited 8 hours.
Okay, so that wasn't actually
You
when
didn't
they
even leave for lunch.
Where the heck was I gonna go? I didn't have a car and I didn't have any family who lived near me.
Sorry, what you were saying?
Well, it was because they were like always waiting for like authorization from Hyundai to do stuff. It was crazy. So when they actually did the engine swap, that was actually for like a week, and they did give me a loaner for that.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Yeah, and that was actually pretty, like, cool because they give you like 75 miles a day, and I was like, well, I just moved to another very far place, and I still have work. They just like waived the miles basically.
Oh, hell
like,
yeah.
Heck yeah. I should have kept that car. I liked that one.
You just never gave it back. Damn, dude, you're missing out on a good movie right now.
I'm working. Gotta get through 4 PCs. It's just us.
And Handy.
He's gone.
He's coming back.
Is he?
Yes.
Ooh. I heard that. I heard that drop.
That's fine. I see where it is.
My least favorite one is when you put like you kind of go to like hand screw in the AIO ones, and then you drop it and it goes right in between like where the GPU and the motherboard is.
Oh,
That
God.
is the worst one. Thanks. Where's everyone? No one's in the chat. I know. Really calm down. You guys have better things to do on a Thursday? I'm really jealous.
Damn, alright, that's 2. I think this is losing its magnetism.
Alright. Busy planning a move, lol. Oh man, that will take your time, I'll tell you what. Moving sucks. Even if it's like for a good thing. The act of moving sucks. Put in the magnet machine, yeah. Do you have a magnetizer?
Yeah. Actually, there is one here, actually.
Yeah. I was like, they're usually around.
I don't know about around, but yeah. I don't know whose is this, but...
Man, I can't believe we're almost at the end of July.
I don't know, dude.
Like, I mean, August is kind of like a nothing month, and nothing really happens in August. Unless you're going back to school, but then it's just like, we start going, heading into the holidays.
Quote unquote.
Quote unquote, yeah.
This is really cool, bye.
Yeah, so far.
So far?
Tomahawk. What was the last movie you watched?
Backrooms?
Oh. Well, that was easy.
Yeah.
Like, trying to think.
What was the last movie you watched?
I'm trying to think. I think it was this movie called Crush from like the 90s. It was Alicia
the soda?
Silverstone's. No. It was Alicia Silverstone's like first movie.
Oh, of the power supply? Magnet?
No. It was like not a good movie, but I'm trying to like watch a bunch of movies from the 90s again, and like this was one that had like, okay, maybe this is an intriguing plot, but then it just like jumped the shark. It's this like guy moves into this like house, you know, and then there's this young girl who lives there and she gets a crush on him and then ruins his life. But like,
Damn.
so I was like, okay, somewhat interesting. And then it just jumped the shark, like she's murdering people, and I was like, okay, we're off the rocker. But the like guest house that he lived in was so beautiful. Like the entire movie, I'm just like, God, the way they landscaped this was beautiful. It was not a good movie. Do not recommend.
Do not. That's what I feel about that fucking recent action movie with Capybara Man. That one dude.
Who?
They're trying to make him like an action star, but he don't got the aura. Oh, Glenn Powell.
I'm gonna Google it.
Look up if a human became a capybara. Wait, other way around.
Let me look up this guy. Oh, okay.
Oh, the Running Man. Someone was like, yeah, dude, whoever picked the vehicles in this movie, like, really had some taste. But it's like a whatever movie. I was like, it's like, is it worth sitting through this just to see, like, a nice selection of cars?
You know what movie was strangely like that? The Sonic movie, like the first one?
Yeah.
It was like, man, somebody paid a lot of money to have this, like, truck heavily featured in this movie. I can't remember if it was like a Tundra or like a Ford or something, but it was like, man, like, I'm pretty sure that this automaker, like, funded this whole film. What kind of PC is that one in the back? If it's a PC, it is a PC. It's custom PC that one of our co-workers built. It's custom water loop, hard tubing, and they put in a bunch of like LED strips and then programmed it so that it reacts to voice or sound. So right now it's playing a video, so it's reacting to the sound in there, not just from screaming. But yeah, it's pretty cool. At this point, it's a little old, so it doesn't have the most impressive of specs, but it looks great. I pull out magnets from hard disk drives to magnetize my screwdrivers. Dang, that's smart. I didn't even think about that.
Dang.
Sounds like the best use for a hard disk drive these days. About the Shadow 5, and it's coming tomorrow. Love y'all. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for ordering the Skytech.
Good choice.
Yeah. Enjoy it. Man, just in time for the weekend too. Yeah.
Nice.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, Hayden, how you?
What's up, dude?
How you doing? It's like it's fun.
Oh.
Big upgrade from a GTX 1080 and Ryzen 5. Oh, for sure.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. That thing's gonna blow you out of the water. Heck yeah. It's sick. I'm still building mine. Heck yeah. Love a good PC. But I didn't miss too much. Also, how many builds today? We got 4. This is the second one.
I got one.
Still plenty to go.
Imagine being in a room with the walls are also carpet.
That actually sounds so comfortable. I'm somebody who has really bad balance. I got like a problem with my ear, so I'm always falling over. I like the idea of being like,
Yeah, but then you can't paint it.
comfy. Yeah, but I can vacuum it.
Imagine the dust.
I loaded up Signal RGB on my PC and it started to sound like a jet engine. Is that normal?
Yeah, it also has fan control built in.
Yeah. So yeah, you can definitely change your your fan curve in there. Make it so that they don't kick on make it so that they only kick on once they hit like a certain height of temperature height. High.
Are you?
No, I'm tired. So you can change your fan curve so that when they spin up, they're spinning up at a higher temperature than they currently are. This will affect a bit of your thermal performance, but it's fine as long as they do spin up. But yeah, Signal RGB runs a lot of processes at that time when you're booting it up, so it's not uncommon for it to go. I have 2000. What's the best PC I can get? Let me link you some stuff. Let me see what I can find you. Not bad, It's got a 14700F, but 14th gen Intel is still gonna be a beast for a long time. see what else I can find you though. That also has DDR4, but it has 32 gigs of it. And honestly, I kind of miss DDR4. It was a good time. It just worked. It worked so well. Let me see what else I got for you though. Hey, if you want something on a bit more of a modern platform, say no more. In fact, this is actually one of our best sellers. Makes sense, it's just like a solid spec all around. Or, pretty similar to the last one, this one has a Radeon card that's about equivalent. Do you like Intel or AMD motherboards? It depends on certain things. If I was buying today, I'm not gonna lie, I'd probably go for a 270K. I just think it's the best value right now. But the AMD, especially the X3D chips, are the best gaming chips. Just like flat out. I operate on a lawn chair. Hey, that sounds great. Cats will be literally bouncing off the walls in that room. Yeah, I give my cat this nice scratching post, and he still goes over to the carpet, and it's just like...
Giving it texture, you know?
Yeah, I'm just like, after you. There's not gonna be another. I love my cat, but I'm just like, you're like...
The last cat?
Wait until I get hardwood.
What? Oh, hardwood.
Do you guys sell 270K plus machines? Yes. Do we sell many of them? No. And I just
I don't think they're asking about our sales figures. I think they just want to know what we have in stock.
Yeah, we got a couple. I wish we would actually make more of them because, like, yeah. No, they don't sell as many because we only have a few. Like, make more.
We sell more.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah,
they
I
don't
got
sell as
some.
much. Well, we gotta make more. We gotta. Annoying feedback loops.
Guys went to a different PC channel to ask and put me in timeout twice on Twitch, but I didn't spam. Thanks for not putting me in
What the
timeout.
heck?
W Skytech, you're welcome.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I was like, as long as you don't spam, like,
Yeah,
we're
that's all
pretty
good.
much cool, yeah. You got the one with the Ryzen 7 9800X3D and 5070. Heck
Hey,
yeah, nice.
dang, dude.
Great, great combo. So, I don't know if I told you last stream, but I got my first tattoo a couple days ago, and it's a full inner forearm tattoo. Sick.
Damn, dude.
Did it hurt? I don't know, I've never gotten a tattoo before, so I don't know.
Dude, this guy's therapist looks like Caitlin Clark
Who's therapist? What?
in the movie.
Oh, I can't see the movie. One, you gotta stop referencing the
Turn
movie.
your head. It's
I can't, dude. Like, the TV is here.
It's like it. The problem is like 2 meters away, bro.
Because it was my B-day last week. Oh, happy birthday. Heck
Dang,
yeah.
dude. What is
Treat
it?
yourself.
18?
No,
Crazy.
not Hayden.
Oh, this dude. Oh,
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
about to say, bro, like, stop having birthdays, bro, please.
Making Juan feel old. Yeah, that is actually crazy, because I think when Hayden started watching
It
us,
was like 15.
15, yeah. Woo! I've been doing this a long time. Also, I love my cat, but his mouth is stinky. Like, really bad. Like,
Uh-huh.
you don't notice it until he, like, rubs his mouth on your hand, and then you're like, ah!
Like it burns or something?
No, it doesn't burn, but, like, when you smell it, it's just like, what in the worst
Whoa.
smell in the
The
world?
lingering odor.
Oh. His teeth look fine, too. I'm like, what's happening? No, not really. It wasn't too bad, but the wrist did hurt more than the thing that hurt. Oh, more than the actual tattoo was the soap at the end. Ooh.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I can imagine, actually.
Burning.
Well, that's cool. Heck yeah. Take care of it. Make sure it heals. I had this friend in my old job when I worked in the comic shop, and she was, like, inked everywhere. And, like, one time I asked her, I was thinking about getting a tattoo, and she had, like, this whole regiment. She's like, here's what you do. You gotta get this for this, and, like, to heal it. She was a pro. It was cool. She had, like, mostly comic book, related stuff on it.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you guys build the pre-builds ahead of time, or do you build them upon order? Depends. Some of them are, like, pre-built, but for the most part now, a lot of them are built to order. You can kind of tell on the website, if it says, like, ships immediately, it's already built, it's in a box, it's ready to go.
Yeah.
But some of the other ones, we will build to order.
I mean, we got a lot of free time these days.
Yeah.
So.
Took 4 hours, but I gotta go back in 2 weeks to do the shading.
Oh, wow.
Yo, I'm using my 11 all-white build from y'all right now. Yo, amazing. Thing performs crazy. Oh, awesome. Glad to hear it. Was that the one that we sold that, like, all the components were white? Like, GPU, power supply cables, too? Because, like, that was, like, a limited run. I'm just curious if you got that one. But heck yeah, thank you. Glad to hear it's doing well. What's y'all specs? That's a good question. I'm running a 3800X with a 6750 XT at home. 16 gigs DDR4. It's still kicking. Should I upgrade it? Probably, but everything I've been throwing at it's been doing fine with.
I got a 3080 with a 5800X 3D 10th anniversary re-release. I just wanted to say that long ass sentence. 32 gigs of DDR4 as well, and a couple NVMe's.
Only the GPU is black, but it's the 5081. Oh, nice! Heck yeah. Well, I'm glad it's treating you nicely. Love that.
Mhm.
11's nice too because here's a secret, guys. I think that they're going EOL in the future.
What do you mean? You think or you know?
Hey, I know, but
You can't.
I don't know if I think or not. I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't talk about that. But give them what I can.
Yeah, because we've been saying if you're eyeing it, jump on it.
I'm really surprised I sat there for that long. I can't sit still with my ADHD. Yeah, what happens if you have to, like, pee in the middle of it? Like, do they let you get up?
I wonder.
Sent 100 for 2 joules. Oh, nice. Have y'all built a Shadow 5 with a Ryzen 7 9000X 3D and 5070 yet?
No, bro.
No.
But I'm sure yours will ship soon.
Yeah. Well, I was like, we're also in here, and there's more people building out there. Yeah. Just got my PC from you guys today. Such an upgrade from what I had for a good price. Oh, awesome! Glad to hear that. Yeah. That's treating you well. Heck yeah. Thank you for choosing Skytech. I'm glad I jumped on it then. Awesome. Yeah, he let me take breaks. That's good. Plus, since so many people come on stream to ask you guys what you are running, you should ask the boss for a 270K build as advertisement on stream. I don't know if my boss would go for it, but maybe Intel will.
Maybe.
They kind of love me. They emailed me directly to be like, "You're gonna be on our stream, right?" I'm like, okay, yeah.
Dang.
So yeah, I will probably be on another Intel stream during their Intel Gamer Days. Stay
Nice.
tuned for that if you want to see a Kelsey appearance. Like Bigfoot out, out of the woods, in different woods. $32 GB for 1200. Oof. just realized that your name is Arthur Morgan Vlogs, as in like Arthur Morgan of Red Dead Redemption 2.
Took you 2 streams to see that?
Oh my god. Why are we doing this, Dutch?
I thought you would have caught it last stream, to be honest.
No, I'm not. You know the ball? I'm off of it. I need to be on the ball. Went from a 3080 to a 5070 and an i7 11700K. I think it was to a Ryzen 7 7700X30. Ooh, very nice. Heck yeah. As like 11700K's got a decent amount of power, don't get me wrong, but like definitely the time to be upgraded. Carry the ball, yeah. You be on the ball or off the ball. Or you could shoulder the ball. Ball state. Okay, now I'm done, sorry. Oh yeah. Okay, anybody else got cool plans for the weekend? Or their Friday? Let me live vicariously through you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be living vicariously through my sim all weekend, thank you. I have such a craving for jalapenos.
Wait, are jalapenos the one that make you sick?
Yeah.
What the?
I didn't say it made sense. I just said I have a craving for it.
What the hell?
Yeah. It's like how lactose intolerant people are probably like, no, not cheese. Yeah, it's being jalapenos, you know.
Yeah, they never take it seriously.
Weekend laundry, ooh, I feel that. Last weekend, I got all the bedding in the house done. Very nice. It's actually funny, when my fiance was doing the laundry, it would like still be running while we were going to bed for Monday.
What the?
And now I was like, everything's done on Saturday. Well before the sun goes down, now that I'm in charge, yeah.
Damn, Mark, put her on blast.
I mean, like, it would get done.
I'm
but
telling
like, I'm, you know the ball? I'm on it when it comes to that. I might be off the ball and other things, but for laundry, I'm on it. I'm trying to finish my screenplay, but it's been hard to get started back. I wrote the entire thing, but I need to extend it from 78 pages to 85 to 90 pages. What if you just had like one scene that was all silent but very artistic, and you just were like, yeah, and that'll take like 20 minutes. To fill that space. Also, flashbacks, always easy. I had a screenplay idea for a horror movie once, and it was actually, there's not that many people here right now, so I can tell this story. Because if you tell it 10 times, you die.
Wow.
No, I know, right? So when I was a kid in elementary school, I really liked scary stories, and so like I used to get together with friends at like recess, and we would just like make up scary stories to tell each other to like spook each other, you know? And I was also in Scouts, so we'd do this while we were camping. And one time, somebody told me this story. We were like on a field trip, so, yeah, not my usual crew. We're in a car, and they told me this one story, and they were like, yeah, but if you tell this story 10 times, the villain in the story, who was called Crazy Maisie, was not very original, like, was gonna come and get you. And, like, the story itself was not that scary, but, like, that...
The implication?
Yeah, like, made it scary. So now that, like, I would like tell it, and then I'd be like, I've lost count. Like, oh my god, is this gonna be the night that like, you know, she comes for me and all this? So I thought it'd be really cool to write a like scary movie based off of that concept. Where it's like, you know, by the time you're an adult, you just like brush it off. It's like, yeah, whatever. But I got a pretty cool, you know, scary story, and then you tell it,
Yeah.
and then like you're at like a camping trip or whatnot, and then suddenly you're like on the run from this thing that is like trying to get you. It's good. $1 million idea. Somebody make it, because I'm too tired to, and I would like to go see this in theater. There goes a new egg. Yes. Bought mine a new egg, so yeah. I just don't want to add filler scenes because production companies would notice, so I need to write actual scenes that make sense to the story. That's true, yeah, you want everything to be intentional. Freaky Nikki. Should have chosen to have my PC built on stream. Would have been cool to see it. Seems so chill for you guys too. Appreciate what you guys do. Oh, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Overtime King. Yeah. Yeah, I was like, we gotta just chill and hang out. It also depends on the day. Sometimes chat is like crazy and the conversation's going all over the place.
Dude,
And sometimes Juan breaks things. No,
I have never broken
he's actually
anything
never broken
on
hands
camera.
on camera. But yeah. Yeah, we appreciate it. We also like it too when people come and like chat with us while we build their PC. Helps us answer any questions you got. It's all good. But yeah, appreciate you. Also, speaking of elementary school, when I was in 3rd grade, I actually wrote a 4 pages front and back ghost story, and I wish I could find it because I think it would also be a good movie. You can always work on it up here in the workshop of the mind. One broke a couple of PSUs. He didn't break those PSUs. They were
pretty
DOA. Very different. Very different. I may or may not have zoned out while you were telling your story. Yeah, maybe it's not like Oscar worthy. Radeon or Nvidia? Ooh, good question. Why is my eye itchy? Okay, we're good. Oh man, what am I making for dinner? Oh, enchiladas. Okay, never mind. Whew.
Oh.
I was like, did I forget to take the meat out to thaw? No. I was trying to listen, but I was also typing. Oh, I get that. It's like trying to count money when somebody else starts, like, counting anything. You're just like, yeah.
You're gonna put anchovies in them?
What?
In the enchiladas?
No.
Oh, wait, what do you put?
Although, I do have a can of, like, roasted tomatoes that I grabbed on accident, and I'm like, what if I just threw this in there?
Oh, yeah, no, that's...
Kind of bomb, right? Like, with the meat and, like...
Wait, olives! Yeah, olives is the...
Oh, no, this is gonna be it's probably gonna be green enchiladas.
Oh, bomb.
Yeah, green enchiladas, no olives.
Baked?
Yeah.
Oh. Can I come for dinner?
Yeah. Yeah, you wanna come all the way to my house?
As bomb as that sounds.
Although I was thinking about it, and I was like, I don't know if I have the cheeses I needed, because I made, like, what was it? I made taco seasoned beef, and then I put it into a pasta dish, and then I shredded some Monterey Jack cheese into that, little onion, can of tomatoes and green chilies, and then peppers into it, and I like mixed it, and then baked it with some more of the Monterey Jack on top, so it like hardened. It was really good. It was really bomb. But I used all the Monterey Jack cheese, which I was gonna use for the enchiladas, and all I have is sharp cheddar.
Oh, damn.
I think I can make it work. I also have some pepper jack, and like I can get creative. This stream has turned to a Q&A, lol. It always is.
It always is.
I actually prefer when people ask questions, because otherwise then it's just like, well, I gotta find something to talk about, and it's gonna usually be food. Or recently vacuums. So after I finish my screenplay, I'm gonna form an LLC and start a horror film production company. Nice.
Wow.
White people tacos. I mean, this is my mom's taco casserole recipe.
Ew.
It's basically just like open-faced enchiladas. So like instead of
Okay.
rolling them, you just kind of make a bed, and then you put all the
He's not here.
ingredients in it, and then you put tortillas on top of that.
Dude, you would like this movie. She has a crazy lady mom.
Besides what I'm writing now, I also have a couple other movie ideas. Nice. Always the food. I know. It's because I'm hungry. I had pasta for lunch, so I thought I'd be full, but I still have an applesauce.
An
I might partake in the applesauce. It's cinnamon applesauce. What up?
Ooh.
It's good stuff, right? Yeah. That's
So-
like my favorite.
He's not here.
How long have you guys been live? We have been live for
1 hour and 50 minutes.
Yeah, just shy of 2 hours. I am movies. What?
What?
I had the worst schnitzel I had in a long time today.
Oh,
Dang.
he's not here.
German drums.
Yeah, he'll probably be back. I hope.
Yeah, I was like, I feel like you're kind of like, yeah, he'll be back. And, yeah.
It's alright, I got Angel.
Mm. I guess that's true. Yeah, you guys might see more Angel on my giveaway stream. I haven't asked him yet, but I'm gonna make him.
Yeah, you're finding out before he does. That's funny.
Yeah. Let's see if we can bring back some of the retro stream. I don't know. Me and Kay are gonna also work on some more long form for the channel, maybe. So, yeah. It'll be a very different vibe from what me and Handy do in the short form realm. But hopefully it'll appeal.
Pio? Ada?
Hopefully it will appeal.
Oh.
In Munich at a work recreation trip. Oh. I don't know. I always feel like when you're at like some kind of like work trip or like some kind of conference, they're always like, and we dialed it in for food.
Me too.
We gave you a lot of options, all of them. All right. Like,
All of them are technically food.
speaking of horror movies, what are y'all's favorite horror movies, and have y'all actually met any horror movie actors?
Right now, Backroom. Pretty good. And no.
I liked Us, because that actually genuinely was scary, I think. Just the, like, family outside there holding hands, not moving. They really got that, like, what is it? The unsettlingness of, like, what is it? Not silence. I guess actually, yeah, silence and, like, non-movement, and how, like, chilling that can be. Very good. Otherwise, I like the original Candyman movie. It's very good. And also, it's so well lit. I was watching it, I was like, man, she's like in a dark, abandoned building, and I can see everything. Like, why did we ever...
They would kill you.
How
if
did
you
we
tried to do
lose
that.
our way? Like... I don't watch or play horror, yeah. In general, horror is not my favorite,
Does Alien count? I like the
genre.
Alien franchise.
Oh, and I did like, I liked It. But that's also just because it's a good book.
What?
Have you read it?
Sure.
What does that mean? Event Horizon.
Event Horizon. That's a scary movie? I didn't know that was a horror.
Okay, it's rude too. It could be like sarcastic.
You're right, actually.
It's like Ponyo. There's a beer garden next to the Munich main train station. Oh. Also, there was an option to go to some other place, 10-minute bike ride from home, but I wouldn't know the people.
Dude, Germany's so crazy. Beer actually grows on trees.
It's
Beer
funny because I
garden?
thought you were going to talk about the 10-minute bike ride.
I don't give a
That's like-
shit about bikes.
I like that is the I really like the Conjuring universe movies, and I've actually met Jackson Robert Scott, who plays Georgie in It 2017. Nice.
Okay, that's why. You just wanted it.
Event Horizon.
I forgot that Aiden structures questions in the way that he just wants.
I do the same. Event Horizon definitely horror. Okay, I wasn't sure. Never seen. Y'all's live streams are like a podcast. I just keep it in the background and listen to it. Nice.
Nice.
That's kind of how I've come to see it too. And it kind of just changes on like the mood. You know, the more tech questions we get, the more tech heavy it is. If there's no tech questions, then we're just like.
We're stealing your IQ points.
Oh yeah. Hey man, radio morning shows were popular for years. You know what I mean? Like,
that's true, and that was
we're basically
slop,
like that, but with no structure. Yeah. At the beer garden. They got a beer garden, they got a kindergarten. Hello there, loving my Skytech Aqua. I stream World of Tanks with it. Great
Yo,
rig. Oh,
hell
awesome.
yeah.
Glad to hear, glad to hear. Thank
Good
you so much
choice,
for
good
choosing
choice.
Skytech. Yeah. Ooh, and the Aqua was a nice one to grab because it was a limited edition. So when we sell all those Aquas, they are gone. You'll never find that color again. Very nice, very nice. I actually think I would be really cool if he could play in my horror movie that I'm writing. That would be cool. Event Horizon is set in the Warhammer 40k universe. It is a movie about the first warp trip. Oh.
Oh, I was thinking
You
about the
think
pipeline
else?
spill.
Oh. What?
There's.
Man, I mean, I can see the angle of like, what's your favorite horror movie? And then they're like the one about the pipeline spilling.
I don't know, man.
He went obscure.
That's why I was like, oh, that's a horror movie? I didn't know that.
It is horror. What they're doing to our environment.
It's horror to the fish, yeah.
Yeah, that's so funny.
Oh, dude, okay. You're never gonna watch the show, so who gives a shit? And it ended terribly. One of the last, like, plot points in The Boys is that, the Deep.
Well, somebody else might get spoiled, though.
Does anyone care? Right? It's not a spoiler, it's just something, it's like a plot point. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. The Boys rocks. The Boys season 1 and 2, and maybe like a little bit of 3 was good, and then it.
Oh, it's not officially set in the Warhammer universe, but it basically is. Yeah. Definitely looks good. Runs smooth as butter. Heck yeah. Jeez, another 2 hours of work. I feel you, Hellcat. Even though my work is just being here. Whew. Deepwater Horizon. Oh, was that?
Deepwater. I'm fucking stupid.
I also really hope I get the role I'm auditioning for a lead role in a horror movie. That would be cool, yeah. Anything can be set in the Warhammer universe, even Dune. Are they coming out with that Dune game?
Which one? The RPG?
Wasn't there like an MMO or something?
Oh, that, yeah. I think that's already up.
Oh, well, clearly it's so great. Everyone's talking about it.
Yeah. It's not.
Dune Awakening.
Yeah.
Let me see.
What is it? 3.5 stars?
Release date, June 10th. Okay, so yeah, it was last month. Interesting. Let's see the reviews.
It was,
Oof.
yeah. I think I saw
mostly positive, though.
3.5 stars.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like anytime you go to Steam, they're going to find, like, this do not recommend, ran into a glitch. Like,
a game on a movie is tough.
yeah. Like,
3.5 stars.
and this is a genuine question. Were any of the Lord of the Rings video games actually that good?
Did you play the Lego one?
No.
I heard
That's a
they
good
weren't
one,
good
though.
either.
But, oh, really?
I don't know. Like, compared to the Star Wars one?
Yeah.
I played the hell out of the Star Wars ones, but never the
Yeah,
Harry
Lego
Potter
Star
with
Wars
the
was
Lord.
really big. Man, those are going to be great games to play with, like, kids.
Yeah, probably.
Mm-hmm. I have the Lego Marvel Superheroes.
Oh, those are
That one's good, yeah.
Those are fun. They have voice acting and everything.
Mm-hmm. So Shadow of Mordor got good ratings. Noted. I also remember they had an MMO at one point.
That is an MMO, isn't it? Shadow
Is
Mordor?
Shadow of Mordor an MMO? Well,
I
heard
don't
it was
actually.
good.
I'm not sure. Alright, anyways. This PC is done. It is finished. It is complete.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, folks, this PC is done. We're gonna go and put Windows on it. All the drivers it needs out of the box, it's ready to go.
What?
Nothing. So out of the box, it's ready to go. You can just set up your profile, download your game launchers, and you're good to go. We're also going to stress test this, make sure its components work and work under load, and when it passes all that, it'll be headed to you. So watch out for it, Em, and thank you so much for ordering with us.
Thank you.
Beautiful PC. Oh yeah. Action RPG. Oh yeah, okay, I thought so. I was like, Shadows of Mordor sounds like, I remember it coming out more recently than, like, the online one. Because the online one was old.
Oh, and that one's the MMO?
Yeah.
Oh. Cool. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Moving on to our next build. We got King of Palooza coming up next.
Woo!
Back to back. Whoever's, just let me know.
Yeah, just grab one and let me know if it's the black. Let me know if it's the black one or the white one. Okay, fine. We'll do the white one.
Why the white one?
Cause it's higher in the thingy.
Why is it higher in the thingy, huh?
Cause that's how the AI spit it out. Alright.
No, this one's actually kind of nice. The parts.
Your ending scream? No, we still got 2 more builds. We're gonna be here all day. All day, baby.
What all day, man? It's actually kind of nice.
Whew. Yeah, the Lord of the Rings MMO is so old that my fiance used to play that with their ex, and
Oh, damn.
yeah, and I was like, see, now you upgraded, now you play Warcraft with me, the better MMO. I'm going to start working on alternative incomes, no questions asked.
Turn it.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do. Everyone's got a side hustle, legal or otherwise. 3.5 stars in this economy. I like how anytime though you like dive into reviews of anything, you'll find like a lot of like, yeah, this is really great, here's in depth sort of thing, and then you'll always find someone who's like, well, I haven't used this yet, so I'm gonna give it a 3 star, like, just to be honest. And it's like, why did you write the
You
review?
didn't bother.
Like a Crimson Desert. Okay. If I do get the role, that means I'm able to join the SAG-AFTRA Actors Unit, and I could get representation from an acting agent to be able to have access to even bigger acting roles, which is really cool. Actually, you have to join SAG-AFTRA if you get a union job, but yeah. Very true.
I'm off to do things. Have a great stream. Thank you.
Bye.
You too. Have a great
Thank
things.
you. Alright. I love this motherboard. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, Eric, you did a pretty ballin' job configuring
Yeah.
this build, I would say so. I'll be right back.
Yeah. I actually forgot Kelsey used to do acting, and for some reason I was surprised that you knew that. Yeah, yeah, I went to school for that, yeah. It's cool though, I probably make, more steady money this way. And I still get to use some of that, some of those skills in the marketing department. Stairs. It's studio audience. Woo! Yeah, when we went to like canned laugh tracks, that's where like society fell. The live studio audience laughing was great because you always had somebody with a unique laugh or somebody who was kind of
Someone
coughing
coughing?
through the whole story. Yeah, and it really made things grounded. I miss sitcoms actually. I don't think they'll ever come back. Truly. Hey, what are the prices for the Skytech King 95 5070 at Best Buy on sale? That's a question for Best Buy. I don't know actually. I think we saw the King 95 there, but I don't know for how much. That's somebody else handles Best Buy. Okay, thank you. Yeah, no worries. Sorry. Not on sale. Is it 2K? I think so. I thought it was about a 2K system. I thought it was actually more than that. That was like 2100. Yeah, basically when I get that role, that means I'll become SAG eligible, then after production wraps, then I have to pay the initiation fee and join the union, and that also opened that agents and managers would want to represent me since it would be a lead role in a major film production. Yeah, get that real. Okay, thank you. You're very welcome. Why would anyone want to be an actor or an actress? Hollywood was full of weirdos and Delulu. I mean, you don't have to act in Hollywood.
The fuck?
Also, a lot of people like the art form.
That's
and
such a
acting is a
boomer-ass thing.
very cool art form. And then you obviously have people who want to be famous, and those people usually are not good at things.
That's the most 50-year-old thing I've heard today.
It's not a boomer fool.
I mean, you sound like one right now.
Wilson start back going to acting classes. Heck yeah.
Not on sale. Oh, you already.
It's a real question. Don't try generational disses. I mean, I think most people, if you ask them if they wanted to be in a movie, they'd say yes. Like, I think most people kind of have that dream of like, oh, I am discovered.
I'm discovered.
You get tons of money to, you know. Yeah. Especially when you think about like how many people are like trying to get into influencer media. I really don't see that as like much different. It's that whole idea of like me. But what if the people are looking at me?
Me.
Every industry has Delulu thinking, like me thinking I can own a 5090. Yeah. Yeah, let's not pretend that the tech world isn't weird and delusional. like kettle meat pot. Like, right now I feel like tech is actually one of the weirdest.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not in the best places right now.
All these same young kids with their okay boomer nonsense. I mean, it's just one. Yeah, you don't have to be in Hollywood to be an actor. It could be anywhere like LA, New York, Atlanta, or even Wilmington. Yeah, also the indie scene.
Yeah, I feel like if anything, the kind of smaller movies are, there's an appetite for.
Yeah. How much is it on y'all's website? Well, we wouldn't have that exact SKU on there, but...
There's a custom order.
I thought they were asking about the King.
Oh, I see.
Oh, Juan, you totally tilted Hellcat. Come on, come back here and apologize.
What? Is he overreacting again?
You're being mean. Because you were mean first.
What? In his range.
Actually, we do have a decent amount of that.
There actually is. Yeah.
Mostly on YouTube.
I don't even know the baby boomer age range, but I don't think people actually. Oh, shit.
Being an extra in movies is rather lucrative as long as there's work, 300 to 500 a day, depending on the film. Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. You can definitely be an extra and all that. I had a friend who did that. But yeah, it's like most of my friends who I studied with ended up going into, well, we were theater majors, so mostly working in theater. And then some of them were trying to, like, you know, get into film and all that, are doing, like, completely indie projects. You, like, really gotta grind in that to get any kind of, you know, resume behind you. Don't forget New Jersey. New Jersey is filming?
We're getting that Netflix studio? What the heck?
A Netflix studio in New Jersey. Interesting. There's room in New Jersey? Well, because, like, no, but, like, truly, that's, like, the thing that usually stops a lot of these, like, or is the problem, is, like, land, you know, because you need to be able to build a bunch of studios and stuff, but... Have you ever tried film acting, Kelsey, or just theater? Just stuff that I did in school. A couple projects here or there, but, no. It's a different animal. They're taking over an abandoned military base. Ooh, okay, actually, yeah. Lots of land there. Well, good for New Jersey. Did that computer right? Yep. That's my BA. Big ass degree. That made me laugh so hard, really loud. Hey, that always kills. Yeah. It's coming together, it's looking nice. Do I eat my applesauce? I'm gonna get my applesauce. Don't move.
Don't move?
Continue to move. Continue to work.
I was about to not move. Who was back there?
Just the guys.
Which ones?
You know the guys. No, the regular guys. I actually did not pay attention. I just went for the applesauce.
And he's like Angel or someone.
Why?
I need a potty break. I need a potty break.
Oh, gotcha.
I don't want to leave you alone for like 10 minutes.
Oh, one of those. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Better build quicker.
I'm fighting demons right now.
That's how you do a white tower. Everything is white. Yeah, this looks really good.
Hey, you want to fill in for me for like 10 minutes?
Sure.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Oh, right now?
Yes, right now. I need it.
You showed up at the wrong time.
Yeah, bro, sorry.
Well, there was no warning for that.
Yeah, yeah.
Fuck no, bro.
Everybody welcome Kay.
Hey, what's up? It's been a while. Yeah, how's it going?
Good, good. Yeah, we're all
Yeah.
just chilling. We're
Just chilling.
He's been pretty quiet today. We got 4 builds, and so it's yeah,
Pretty chill.
Trying to-
Four builds, pretty chill.
yeah, trying to figure out what's to talk about. So we're talking about Hayden's college pursuits and acting.
Oh,
ambitions.
Hayden, what's up? How's it been? It's such a such a long time ago.
I know, right?
How's school?
I know.
How's school? Did you finally build your dream system or something?
I think he's going soon
Yeah.
to school. So yeah.
Nice.
Talk about walking into it. Well, I know, right? It's like, yay.
I was just gonna tell Kelsey that the 2 systems are on that table over there, and then just
Oh, yeah, you showed
I
the
really should
wrong
learn to say
table.
no sometimes.
Yeah, I'm still trying to personally.
Yeah, it's hard around here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then
But
the
hey-
more you say yes, they actually reward you. So you're like,
How have I been? I've been really busy and doing good, honestly. Yeah,
yeah.
we've been doing a lot of projects. So
Mm-hmm.
yep.
Yeah, Kay here is the mastermind behind the glass etching option that we now offer on the custom builder
Yeah.
and now pre-builds. So
I hope you guys enjoy that. I
Mhm.
like it.
we might be seeing some new stuff soon.
Mhm.
We'll see.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
Oh yeah, I should bring it.
Should I get it?
Yeah.
Alright, alright. I'll be right
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
I'll show you something.
So yeah, we've been working on some other stuff we can maybe bring to glass etching. In case anybody wants a sneak peek of that. So yeah. We're working on building some like more general sort of stuff we can bring, so it doesn't always have to be like a custom thing that you put on. It can be like a preset border or something. So I haven't seen this yet, so I'm curious to see what he brings. Yeah, I started this August for surgical technology. Heck yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, just kind of like
Just-
slide through there. Yeah.
Let me just move this a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been working on some stuff, and I'm pretty sure you guys know that you could customize your orders, pre-builds and custom orders,
Mhm.
with your gamer tags or sweet messages that you want to put there.
Mhm.
This is kind of like a step up from that. It's something we're trying to integrate, but I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it. It's subtle here.
I should.
But yeah, there's some
There, black background.
yeah digital filigree here.
Yeah. Oh,
Ooh,
I'm
okay,
on the
that
other side.
actually did come out really good.
Yeah, so we've been trying to do some designs that you can choose that are pre-made that you could add to your glass, your system, like an accent like this one. It's gonna be on the opposite corners as well too,
Yeah.
right there.
Mm.
This is our prototype. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, please. Heck yeah.
Well, since you've seen it, guys, what kind of designs do you want to see? Because this is more like a circuit board kind of.
Yeah.
Since we're dealing with technology,
We were thinking of also doing
what
like
designs do you want to see? Like a border,
floral or something. Yeah, like what in general.
anime magic circle.
Yeah, for real.
We're trying. It's not like we could just slap an anime on
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Next year though, we're
Next
gonna
year
try
we'll
and grab
see.
some anime.
Yeah. So yeah, this is one of the test ones that we're doing. It's a case that I have laying around for tests, but I mean, for a black case, it looks really nice. It just, if you don't want your username on there, you could have a little accent on it as well. Kind of make it your own.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And here is why am I on the opposite side of everything?
I don't know.
And yeah, right there as well on the corner. I was doing this, and I was like, "Where's my finger?" There you go. So that is our sample. So
Can I get my production company logo on a PC? Ask customer service.
you know what? If you place an order, ask customer service about it. Have them link me in that email
Yeah.
because I'm part of customer service.
Because like we were talking about doing like logo uploads and such, but the thing with that is then we run into things like, well, what if it's copyright issues? You know, someone tries to put Pikachu in there or something, just so that we don't get in trouble.
When I change my name, I gotta change my PC glass. No, you can send your glass back. We'll strike out your old name and ensure you went below.
Strike through, yeah. Yeah, basically.
Yeah, it's yeah. But that's the current progress. Wow.
Yeah,
I'm
nice.
so jealous because live can see all our like behind the scenes.
I know, right?
They get
Yeah.
the sneak peek before we even put the promotion for it. So you see it here first. I hope you guys like it. We'll see how it turns out. But that's the design right there. Oh, I pointed right this time. There and down.
So like, ow.
Ow.
But
I had the other system. It has some floral borders on it too. So, yeah, we'll just put this down here.
yeah, it's like bring that one now. It's like QVC on here. It's
Oh,
like, man.
it's white. I'll bring it.
Yeah.
We'll show it.
Yeah, getting a sneak peek. Yeah, we've been working on some pretty cool stuff. Trying to bring a degree more of customability to your PCs, but it's all in the works. I've been looking for something like that. Well, we might have it very soon. Okay, we're mostly like testing designs now, but yeah, if anybody if you got any like good design ideas for borders or stuff to do themes, like drop it in the chat because we're looking for ideas.
And here is the white one. What do you think? Yeah, if you like plants or floral stuff, there's another design for you.
Wow.
Right there. Oh,
Wow, Jerry.
Right there. And on the bottom here. I keep pointing at the wrong side.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. I know. It confuses me too.
Yeah. So, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but that's for the plant enthusiasts.
Yeah.
But we're still planning on whatever other designs we can put there as a default, where you can choose it and then just have it with your order,
Yeah.
and then we'll put it on there for you.
We're also experimenting with the idea of being able to do that and have a bit of like area where you can maybe put text into. We don't know.
Yeah, something like that as well.
Yeah.
We're still also figuring out if we can also, apart from this, you can have your gamer tag, your name on it.
Mhm.
We'll do a combo deal for you guys.
Yeah.
Combo A, combo B.
Whether or not you want fries or a drink. Yeah.
Or a drink. Yeah. So yeah, that's in the works right now.
That seafoam green is nice for sea creatures. Lasers, how do they work? Exactly.
How do they work?
Pretty easily, actually.
Well, there are different kinds of lasers, and I have played with all of them mostly. There's the diodes, there's the CL2, there's the fibers. Apparently now there's the UV lasers, which etches everything.
Yeah.
I don't know how good. I haven't gotten one yet. It's a little too expensive. But I mean, we might get there. Yeah, if we get enough support, yeah, we might get there. Nerd, yeah, that's me.
That's what we use them for. I'm like, hey, I want to do
Yeah.
this. How do we do that? And then, yeah, and then he shows up with a laser.
Yeah, I should have a shirt that says Village Nerd.
It's good. I didn't get an idea though. You just go to K. And then,
Yeah.
yeah, you just wait a little bit and it'll be realized.
Oh, you're at your first tattoo? What kind? You're writing your own horror movie. Oh,
Yes.
oh.
my
You know what
gosh.
you should do? Make those. On YouTube they have those film festivals for
Yeah.
for like indie filmmakers,
Mhm.
like horror shorts. I love those things. Fun fact: did you know that the movie Lights Out was originally concepted from a short film? That,
Really?
Yeah, somebody made a short film regarding that. That once the guy turns off the light, the figure comes out. And then as I guess people loved it, and then they kind of rated it nice and high. So somebody from Hollywood just like, oh, we'll make that into a full movie.
Yeah, yeah, they got the backing for
Yeah,
it. Nice.
so that was good. If you have any ideas, turn it into film. You never know. Somebody out there might be watching.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah,
I need to make art again.
like paint in your hands.
Yeah, I need to make art, not war.
Oh, you know what? Speaking about art, I wanted to try those. You know when they have like a giant canvas, and then they just like tie a paint can into string, and then just they poke a hole and then
And
just let it like.
Physics, yeah.
Yeah, that was so cool. He's back.
Yeah.
You wanna hang
It's
out?
free. I gotta pick up two more
You're
orders.
very happy about.
I got
Alright,
to get two more etching orders to do today.
Art was in
Appreciate
you
the help.
all along, yeah.
Appreciate the
I
feeling.
mean, I art a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One time I arted.
Yeah, I just arted a bunch over there.
You didn't control. You weren't able to control your art.
Dude, my stomach hurt like an MF just over art.
Yeah. Yeah, I stealth art over there a lot. So. All right, guys. I got work to do. I'll see you soon. This is nice hanging out with you for a bit.
Bye.
Bye. Look forward to all the etching stuff we're doing.
Yes.
And support it. Bye.
Yeah. Let us know what you guys
I'll
want to
just
see.
cut this back there.
What happened? What did I miss?
Oh, we were showing off the glass etchings that we are
Oh, hell yeah.
soon potentially offering.
Yeah. Oh, very nice, very nice.
Corner.
That's just by default or by
Yeah, they could just choose this on default.
hell yeah. Damn, bro, you're not gonna sleep.
I don't.
If that's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Got some song lyrics from favorite heavy metal band across my arm. That's nice. It's always nice when you do lyrics. I have a Triforce tattoo on my left arm. Hey, heck yeah. Man, me and my siblings always talked about how we wanted to get the Triforce, like, on all of us with, like, the different ones, you know, like, courage, wisdom, and power. Yeah, is what it is. And I was like, courage for me? I think so. You met my well, you met my sister. I'm clearly the leader.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Jesus. Too
The
scared to
youngest.
ask for a shuttle ride home.
And yet,
And yet,
top kid,
Jesus Christ. Who's the powerful one?
my brother.
Your brother?
One, you missed everything.
It sounds like it.
And that's how Etch-a-Sketch led to a career with lasers. Man, people who are really good at Etch-a-Sketch, how? And the Rorschach symbol on my right. Heck yeah, that's sick. I eventually want to get a full sleeve or two.
Shit, why you stop at 2, bro? Why not 3?
I'd like to get a little bird somewhere or something. Or some poppies, just some little California. I love my home. You guys know how much I love quails. How sad that was. Right back to my applesauce. Yeah, that was a guest appearance from Kay. If we do our giveaway stream during Until Gamer Days, you will see Marvin. You know who I miss? Odakova. What happened to her?
Oh, damn, you're right. And his wife.
Yeah. Hope they're doing well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is looking so nice. Can't wait for it to be all lit up. Oh yeah. want to get does not play well with others tatted on one of my caps. Or one of those things where it's like, please stay 10 feet back or may kick. Like they do with horses.
Wait, you? Oh, you're reading.
No.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
WWX.
say.
No, mine wouldn't be does not play well with others. Mine is like does not make eye contact. Wow.
Do not make eye contact.
You know what I was like talking about yesterday? I was on a walk. I was talking about how I was like, I'm really funny and like totally like on when I'm in a group. And like in school, this used to mean that like people would want to eventually like hang out with me because they were like, oh, she's funny, I want to like be your friend.
Yeah.
And they didn't realize that one-on-one,
Uh-huh.
I'm so like quiet and like I don't know what to do. Which leads me to my question. Are you like are you better in groups or one-on-one?
I think groups.
Mm.
Yeah, because then I can check out when I need a recharge.
Yeah.
Handy, I think the stream got clapped.
What?
I think the movie got clapped.
Oh yeah, it's a family account.
Gah.
Family account.
It's fine. It was already at like the dinner scene.
Oh really? Didn't anything far then?
Yeah, it made it far actually. This one's still going. I think this one.
That's
Really,
the actual.
yeah, this one really is longer. It's fine. I enjoyed what I saw.
I'm trying to think which one. I don't know. Obsession was the one that just came to streaming. It was like one of them. I'm sure.
Oh yeah, on Peacock.
Yeah. So I'm gonna watch that one.
I need a
My dad
Peacock.
eventually.
Yo, pull up Obsession, please. No, I'm just. I'm thinking I'm like- what?
I don't think I'll find it.
You can find anything, dude.
Pull up the new Avatar trailer.
Why the trailer? Just pull up the movie, bro. At this point.
We're like a year late for that one.
Hmm?
I think we're a year late for that one.
For the movie?
Or for the leaks, yeah.
Yeah, bro. I saw a tweet that was like, I'm at the fucking, how is it, the barbershop or the mechanic, and they're playing Avatar Aang. How much time you put on that, Sammy, bro? I think 5 minutes and 20 is the sweet spot, in my opinion.
Okay,
A little under? It might still be good.
Have y'all seen Obsession yet? I have not.
I want to.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, man, maybe I should go to my dad's this weekend just 'cause I know he's got that account. Drive all the way down to San Diego just to watch
for the
Obsession.
movie? That's fine.
I mean, it's the least I can do because he's gonna drive up here to see. To see.
And like in August.
And I'm also gonna have to drive out here to see it. No, not what was it? Not this weekend, but the next weekend.
Oh damn!
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, he was on it.
Mhm.
Jeez, I forgot August is.
I know it's coming up. Yeah.
Jesus. God damn! And then September, and then October, and then the year's over.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yee Leo, welcome in, welcome in.
Yo, what's up, Yee?
A team is there. Yeah. Also, the production budget was $750K, and they made almost $500 million at the box office. This is the way.
Yeah, dude, small flicks are they're on the up and up.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
That's a really good movie that was like an indie movie that was really good. It's old. But there's this one called, what was it? Wrist Cutters or something story. Very indie. They shot it out in like Lancaster in the desert. It was really good. It's like basically this guy, you know, goes to like purgatory sort of, you know, and finds out that the girl he was like obsessed with, he kind of did the whole thing over, like also like later did. So he's like trying to find her in this world.
Oh shit.
But it's a heartwarming story. Because, you know, when you're searching for the thing you think you're looking for, you find what you actually need.
Yeah.
And it's in the desert, and I just love the Mojave.
What the? Play New Vegas.
And it had Gogo Bordeaux music in it. Very good. Play New Vegas. I will not play New Vegas.
Why? You said you love the Mojave.
I do love the Mojave. I also love the Colorado. So,
Well, I don't see you're
why don't
like
you
a
marry
mom.
it?
Yeah. What the fuck? Damn, dude. You ever like think about reincarnation? It's like, fuck, man, I don't want to be a rock.
People been like, ooh, PCs. And just like,
Sorry.
oh. But yeah, all the time.
Know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So I'm thinking of doing a short film of one of the scenes from my screenplay and then pitch the movie and screenplay to a production company. Not a bad way to go. Proof of concept always goes much further.
Yeah, short film might get some eyeballs.
Also,
on.
like, if your proof of concept is good enough, even if you can't get the professional eyeballs
Straight to
on
the
it,
top, baby.
you go to Kickstarter and be
Oh
like,
yeah.
straight to the top.
I don't know. I didn't know where you were going with that.
Was Juan reincarnated as a slime?
As a slime?
Yeah, do you know that anime?
No.
It was like that time I got reincarnated as a slime.
What the fuck are these names?
Yeah, I don't know. Anime recently got really into like those sorts of things, or
Oh my
like
God,
I had to
the
marry
fucking-
my best friend.
Ugh, the
Like-
2010s indie band names.
Gosh. Yeah, the time I got reincarnated as a slime.
I hope I'm Mexican in every lifetime. That's all I ask for. Well, I guess it's up to me.
I don't
isn't
know,
it?
man. Send me all over the world.
Fuck no, I'm good. This is real.
It is.
What
I
the
told you.
fuck?
Yes.
Why does it look like a Pokemon?
'Cause he's a slime. What is a slime gonna look like?
I don't know. Something original?
Also, you sound like my mom. Like, not every monster is
Yeah,
Pokemon just because
look
it's an
at it.
anime.
Look at it.
Is that Pokemon?
You're not gonna gaslight me? No.
Yeah, Mom, it's Pokemon on my Nintendo.
Whatever.
Actually, it would be on Nintendo.
Yeah. That's the meanest thing you said to me. You sound like my mom.
There's one called Reincarnated as a Vending Machine.
You know what?
That would be worse.
Depending
I'd rather
on
be
where
a
they
slime.
put you, in some AC, maybe that wouldn't be so bad. As long as the shit doesn't get stuck in you and like they're not kicking the hell out of you, the customers.
I think my person would still love me as long as I could fit in like a pocket still. Yeah. Take me all over the place. But yeah, so a vending machine would not work. Also, like, just everyone's having to like, boop, 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 boop. Horrible.
What? Everyone poking you?
Yeah. I know it's a cost thing, but bare cheap plastic looking PSU cables are awful. Yeah, I can see that, yeah. At least they're not ketchup and mustard.
True.
Yeah, and that also could help me in being attached as a writer-director, because I want to be able to be involved in the entire process and have final say. In order to do that, I need to finish my screenplay, create a pitch, deck, film a proof of concept, and form an LLC. Yeah, LLC last. Is a 300 hertz monitor reasonable for a Ryzen 7 9800X 3D and 5070 PC?
Sheesh. Is it reasonable for your budget? I don't know, man.
Yeah, if it is for your budget, go for it. But otherwise, you're probably not going to be reaching. Well, I mean, depending on what
Depending
games.
on the game and depending on your settings.
Yeah. What game you want to play on it? Like, what's your main ones? Because like in some games,
You're
like
not gonna be
Valorant,
maxing
sure.
it out. Yeah, Valorant. Sure.
Yeah.
You're not gonna be maxing out like Batman, Call of Duty, things like that.
Yeah.
So
So
like,
you could probably go lower.
if you're comfortable living in medium settings, yeah, sure, it's reasonable.
Fortnite, Roblox, Valorant. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, actually,
Yeah, that's
you
a-
get pretty good. Yeah.
300 hertz monitor is crazy for that.
Yeah.
Though. Who am I to judge though?
Even in Fortnite though, you're probably looking at most about 220 frames.
It's
like,
not a light game.
Yeah.
Maybe
So I mean,
performance
it's up
might-
to. So I was like, maybe like a 240.
COD? Oh yeah, good luck with COD, bro.
Ooh, yeah. Thanks. Yeah. No worries.
COD will probably be the heavier game.
Mm. Okay. We're rocking. Trying really hard not to talk about food.
Whip up the clone hero, bro.
Good.
You could.
It sounds like a lot of effort though.
What do you? You've never turned on a computer before?
Ugh. Let me see if anyone needs me at work. No,
Oh my
literally
God.
nobody needs me at work. What's your favorite board game?
Damn. Board game. Monopoly by default, because I really haven't played that many.
That's fair. I don't know if this anything else is a board game. Like, I love categories.
That's a card game, isn't it?
No. You have a little, it comes in a box. You need to have the box.
Do you play on a board?
No, but you have a little pad. Do you play Yahtzee on a board? No. Is Yahtzee a board game?
Is
I don't
Uno
know.
a board game?
Is Uno a board game? Well, it does come in its own little box, so you can't use the card.
Oh my god! That doesn't make it a board game. Uno's a card game.
Uno is, yeah, probably a card game. Because I guess so does
Yeah, because I wanted to say Uno, but then I was like, no, that's a card game.
Uno. Man, I hate Uno because I always forget the rule of saying Uno when you win, so I'd always win and then just be like, forget about it and just, yeah.
Nope.
And then somebody else would Uno me. Uno's a card game, lol. Yeah, that was pretty hard to argue. But Yahtzee is like, it's gotta be a board game.
Jenga is a board game? No, you're trolling.
I think Jenga could be a board game.
How?
It comes in a box.
That's not a qualification for a board game.
Yeah. Board, particle board that they made the box out of. I don't know. Cardboard.
PC components come in a box.
It's their board game. Very nice. Good work, though. Yeah. Exciting things. Is ping pong a tabletop game? Now that's a really good question.
I think so.
Yeah. Is it a sport?
Is it a sport? Shit, if fucking video games are
Yeah,
sports.
yeah,
then-
you got a good point. It's called table tennis. Oh, yeah. That's true. Is Hungry Hungry Hippos a board game?
I would say yeah, because you actually do have a... It's not a board, it's more of an arena.
An arena.
The little
All the
plus-
hippos in the arena.
Yeah, dude.
Mm-hmm. Ping pong's in the Olympics. Yeah, that's a good point.
Ping pong's in the Olympics?
That's what we call bass fishing a sport. So
That's a sport?
I see that as a
I can
sport.
see, I guess, yeah.
Because I'm bad at it,
Yeah.
and that's usually my baseline. Yeah.
I was gonna say I could see how there could be a competitive nature in that, but you said that with less words.
That's right. I know who I am. Let's look at the weather forecast.
Oh my god!
Okay, hold on, where I live. Don't say where I live. Don't dox me. Look at this crap. Look at this crap.
Ouch.
What do you mean? It doesn't dip below 94 for the next foreseeable week.
Eek.
Ugh.
Ramp up that AC.
It drives me out, man.
Rev up those fries.
It's the same, yeah,
thing.
it's the same thing
What
here.
did you attend? What did we in Long Beach?
See where I grew up.
Whoo! Those boys are living. Look at them.
Yeah.
Oh man. Panning. Fucking window open. Chilling.
Yeah, I was ruined by that growing up. Just summers being 76 degrees every day. They don't prepare you for the real world where it's hot.
Yeah, I could see why you would not want AC.
It'd be low
You got
80s
the-
all week.
You
Woo,
got the
nice.
organics.
Man, I'm like dreaming of low 80s. I'm dreaming of high 80s at this point. It hit like 88 this weekend, and I was like, oh my gosh, let's get outside.
Yeah, dude, I remember like 10 years ago looking at. My cousin had just come from Arizona, like visit, and he was telling me how it was like 80 at night, and I was like, oh my god, that's so crazy. And now it's 80 at night here, and I'm just like, what the fuck did we do to the planet?
And for me, I can't stand it when the low isn't low enough. Because, like, to me, I kind of don't care how hot it is, but at night, if I can open my window and cool the house down, I'm happy. When I can't do that, I'm...
Bro, it pisses me off when I'm in bed sweating.
Well, we got the monsoon weather right now, so everything's all humid and dumb. Bring back my desert.
My desert.
It's a Tuesday here in the southeast. On the plus side, my crepe myrtle's finally gonna put out flowers, and I was like, what took you so long? What was I doing wrong?
Well, yeah, 90-degree weather.
And it's just in one direction. It's got like 2 little sprigs on it. And I'm like, okay, what about the rest of you? Like,
well, you know, the sun.
also, it's July. Like, what are you doing? You're supposed to bloom in spring, silly.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. Is there a build that you guys have that has a 7800X3D and a 9070 XT? Yes. Let me link you one. Give me a moment. Okay, we got a couple different ones. I'm gonna start with this one, because, oh man, actually no, this one's a better deal. 2 terabytes and 32 gigs of DDR5. Woo. Check that one out. I also got it in a couple different cases, with a couple different slight specs. That one though, 2 terabyte drive, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 9800X 3D, 9070 XT. Just fantastic. But if you like, let's see, a different aesthetic, I'm still probably going to recommend the 32 gig to you. But there's also a King 95.
Is that wallpaper engine?
I think he does, yeah.
Oh shit. Have you tried Rain Meter?
Yeah, but Wallpaper's easier because Rain you just have to customize it.
Yeah, I mean, it's more UI stuff.
Juan used the sale from his 70 Ti to get a 5090 cash after taking money from Aiden. That was the best price one yet.
I actually got a 58X3D, FYI. With a free Cooler Master 240, which I don't even know what I'm gonna do with. I've already seen them hit marketplace for like $50. Peak CPU, hell yeah, dude! 10th anniversary AM4 re-release. I'm actually kind of, you know, good on AMD for still dropping the AM4 stuff. Intel could never.
Heck yeah. Does Aiden want to buy an AIO?
I doubt it. I think he already has a 280.
Ooh, 280s, man.
Yeah.
Good times. If I can turn all 240s into 280s.
I know, dude. Fuck 240.
What monitor recommendations do you have that are 1440p and 240 hertz for under 30?
30.
Oh, 300. Okay, I was like,
Oh. You know, I don't have a recommendation, but I just did. I was sitting on the toilet earlier and I saw a headline that said LG is putting ads in their monitor. So definitely not LG. Well, I will look into that article.
I think Gigabyte is usually around that. Like, I paid 300 for a 1440p monitor that was 165 hertz curved. And that was a couple of years ago, so I wouldn't be surprised. But Gigabyte usually has stuff at about that price range. And people have, like, mixed feelings about their monitors. I've never had a problem with mine.
If a monitor ever shows me an ad, I'm taking that motherfucker out like Ron Swanson.
Nothing was worse than when the car decided to be like, hey, subscribe to SiriusXM.
Oh.
And I was like, what in the heck?
The
Bye-bye,
Subaru?
Carvana can take you. Yeah,
Yeah, well, you did the free trial, didn't you?
No, I didn't even. That's what's crazy.
What the?
Yeah.
Oh, hell
It
yeah.
just
No,
started sending that
I
to me.
ghosted the free trial.
Like once a week, it would just pop up while you were driving.
What the?
Isn't that crazy?
That is
What
insane.
a stupid move.
Hell no. Yeah, I was like, I don't need your bullshit, dude. I have my phone. No ads.
It's like, I'm sure that SiriusXM's paying you a lot of money to do this.
Oh yeah, I bet.
I
I'm sure.
don't think it's worth it.
I'm sure when Apple announced CarPlay, they were like, "Oh no."
That being said, I actually have SiriusXM in my other car, because my dad bought it when he bought the car a long time ago.
What is it, Lifetime or something?
Yeah, it's the one that's just like is on there forever.
Oh.
And like actually I do enjoy it. But I enjoy listening to the radio. The Android Auto had me being like, I would love to hear any song other than this song. Because it's always like, hey,
Well.
we noticed you listen to this song a
YouTube
lot.
music.
Yeah, YouTube
You
music.
terrible
sucks.
recommendations.
Well, it would always just be like, hey, I know you're listening to this song currently, but the next song I'm going to play, it's just going to be one that I think you want to hear that has nothing to do with this genre or artist. And it's just like, why?
Yeah. Ironically, as evil as they are, Spotify is the best at recommending stuff.
About a used AOC 1440p 240 hertz for 140. We stay looking for deals.
Oh, AOC is a good budget as well.
Yeah, truly.
Shout out Alexander. Oddly enough, LG doesn't put that stuff in their cheaper monitor. What the heck? That's so random. Why would they put that on their higher end stuff?
Alright, because my budget for the whole setup is $2,600. Understandable. Oddly enough, LG doesn't put that stuff on the cheaper
It
monitors.
does back-to-back comment.
Here. Is that kind of like how you could pay for the really fancy Samsung TV with the screen, but like then you get ads, like...
Yeah, dude, we have an 80-inch in our living room, and then fucking the menu has an ad on the corner.
Oof. I'm telling you, man, there's gotta be like a dumb TV company who's just like, time for me to step into the market.
Nah, dude, there's just too much money in data collection.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Newegg ASRock Phantom Gaming 27-inch 1440p 400Hz IPS AMD FreeSync 250. Ooh.
Goddamn. Okay.
That's not bad at all.
Jeez.
That's what I was saying. I was like, I paid $300 for 1440p monitor like 3 or 4 years ago. So there's got to be better deals now.
Yeah.
Like Moore's Law, you know.
250. Sheesh. That's pretty damn good. 400 hertz.
Have a cheaper LG monitor? Yeah, no ads. Heck yeah.
Oh well, I think this is something that's planned. I don't think this is something already integrated.
Have you guys built a Lightning Z build before?
I have no idea what that is.
No. Elaborate. The 5090 Lightning? Oh, man.
Oh.
No.
No. Also no. We do have certain higher end 5090s, but not, I don't think that one.
MSI Lightning Z590, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, no, it's not passed through here.
Only, we've gotten like ASUS.
Yeah, we've gotten some of theirs, like the Astral,
Yeah, Astral, once or
but
twice.
yeah. No Founders Editions.
Hell no.
nothing, yeah. The Matrix.
Andy, what Pokemon is that?
What?
The one spinning on the screen.
Oh, you're such a jerk. It's just an anime girl.
It has a tail.
That's a furry mom, thank you. Yeah.
It's a what? A furry mon? Would you say, Andy?
It's just funny to look at it.
Oh, it is. You don't even know who that is?
I know that it's not gonna tell you what it is.
Why?
Smart man.
Oh, why am I being because I called it a Pokemon?
I'm seeing a lot of 1440p, 180 hertz under 150. Must be the new batch of monitors coming in cheap. Yeah,
Yeah,
probably.
they probably have an overstock on a certain panel.
Yo, how's it going? Hey, how
So-
are you? Welcome in, welcome in. Finally, LOL, I've had this one for a year plus. Y'all get into Pal World? Oh man, when it first came out, everybody in the IT department was playing that. We were really into it. I haven't played though in a while. I should go back and do so. I was enjoying the heck out of it. When they do the new update, has a new update come out yet? It's like I might jump back in. 1.0's peak, yeah. Oh man, which is crazy because it's like we were just like discovering new pals like
Pal.
all the like at the same time, and then we had a server going. It was really cool. Came out this last week. Oh, okay. Shoot, maybe if I get more gaming time, which I think I kind of will now. Who would have thought that getting rid of my smartphone meant that I would have more time to spend on my computer? Gaming. Something that I used to love and have very little time for, but now have more time for. That's gonna be the weirdest YouTube video of the like, I did a dumb phone and here's how my life changed. Just like, I play on the computer more, but like legit, I'm so pleased about it. Shoot, I might actually pick that up. Hey, question. I just picked up a laptop with an i7 9700K in it. Don't recommend it undervolting it for temp control.
Sure, why not? Give it a shot.
Yeah, I mean, if your temperatures seem pretty high, but 9700K, how hot do you think that could be? I mean, most laptops have pretty bad airflow, so that's a big part of it. Yeah. But yeah, if you feel like it's overheating, you can definitely get into the BIOS and try to. There's usually some kind of temperature setting that you can do in there that'll limit it to that temperature, or you can try manually like clocking down how high the CPU can go. But yeah, to get into the BIOS, restart your computer or turn it on, like from a fresh turn on, and spam the delete key. That'll get you into there. Oh wow, getting rid of a smartphone is peak. Damn. Yeah. Oh yeah, Elio, were you not here last time? I got grandma
Flex
phone.
it.
Yeah.
The jitterbug.
Yeah. And I have a text message. I'm gonna read it. It's taking a while to load.
That's funny.
And now I'm gonna text back in T9.
Nine texts. Isn't that great, folks?
Okay. Send. Yeah. Yeah. My hand got stuck in it there, but yeah.
Caught the zipper.
Just trying to be a little bit more, a little less connected these days.
Alright, folks. This build is done. It is finished. It is complete.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, folks. This PC is done. It's gonna go and get Windows put on it. Dang, really. All the drivers that you need out of the box, it's ready to go. You can just set up your profile, download your game launchers, and you're good to go. We're also going to stress test this, make sure its components work and work under load, and it passes all that. It'll be headed to you, so watch out for it, and thank you so much for ordering with us.
Thank you, thank you.
Lovely PC. We are all so lucky to look at it. Wow. It's very pretty. Alright, folks, one more. One more
actually two
build. One more build. You're a liar. We're gonna
You
celebrate. One more build. One more build. Bam. Bam. All right. My current rig's old. I got a 1650, 16 gigs of DDR4 and a Ryzen 5 3600. I mean, it seems kind of old now, and I guess it is, but I don't know. When I started in this industry, that was like peak machine. And I think still has a decent amount of viability right now. That 1650 is probably getting a little long in the tooth. But I feel like the 3600 is still pretty solid 6-core. Just one more game, yeah. Okay, cool, thanks. Yeah, it's a Clevo laptop. It's a weird laptop with the i7-9700K in it. LOL, it's socketed. So I can change it out. Weird, LOL. Ah, it is weird. Woo, I'm hearing things falling down. But Juan seems very nonchalant, so I don't think it was him.
What happened?
There was like a lot of like something falling.
Oh, no, no. Really, Henry? What Pokemon is that?
Pikachu.
That's Greymon.
It's what? It's Shockmon? Why is it getting waterboarded?
He has free will. He can choose what he wants to do. I'm not telling him to do it.
You picked the gift.
That's why I'm looking for a new rig and a new monitor because I only have a 70 Hz 1080p one. Ah, I got you. Oh man, then yeah.
Time
Then yeah, if you get 1440p, it's gonna look real nice. It's actually crazy, like when you side by side 1080p to 1440p. Like the difference is massive. It's beautiful. It's also one of the reasons why I recommend, like, even if you get the money for it, like 1440p gaming is the way. 4K, not there yet. High FPS, 1440p, nothing better. Should I get OLED? Eh.
If you want. Go to Best Buy. Look at all the monitors.
Yeah, kind of see if it's worth it for you. Because OLED's very nice, don't get me wrong, but like, yeah, you kind of gotta like, you know, gauge whether or not
See
it's
for
worth
yourself.
it. Mm-hmm.
Also, even at Best Buy, it's kind of tough because you like it's like it's not gonna be in your house where it's only one screen. You know, you're seeing at like 20 screens at once. So
Yeah. Plus, I want on sale from ASUS. Ooh, I mean, if it's in your budget, like, but it probably means that you have to like compromise on something else, like the refresh rate or something, in that price range. So consider just like what's more important. And the floor models flood with ambient light, been on 24/7 for 2 years, yeah.
Low-key.
It's nice, after I went to that Best Buy event, I went to my local Best Buy and our PC wasn't back there.
What? What do you mean it wasn't back then?
It was there, I've never found it before.
Oh,
At
it
my
was,
local one.
oh, I see.
I was like, hey, here
They
it
put it on
is.
the floor.
No.
No, I mean like on the showroom floor.
Oh, yeah. I was like,
Not on the floor.
no, they
floor.
put it on a table. Yeah.
We gotta stop saying white ones, dude. They're all so fucking dusty.
Yeah, you say that, but I got a lot of feedback being like, oh yeah, people really love the white one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude, they
But yeah, on the
you
floor
seen them,
for
right?
a
You
year,
always
so yeah, I can see
fucking-
that.
Jesus. No one like goes around and like at least
You
with,
usually can't tell as long as the fans are spinning, but if the fans are ever not spinning, then you're like,
oh,
whoa,
even on the
dust.
grommet on I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
I mean, I want to run Valorant, Rust, Fortnite, Baldur's Gate, and GTA 5 ultra realistic mods. I still think like good 1440 is the way to go. Unless you find like a really good deal and you think it's worth it, I'd probably skip OLED. Just go classic 1440p. I feel like OLED's really good if you're gonna be like watching media on it or doing any kind of like creative work, where you need that like the brightness, the color. You're looking for like a screw. Oh, I hear it.
It was like no, that's
Oh,
not
it's
there.
in the it's in the
But
suit.
it like tilted weird. I was like, why is it tilting? Is it laying on something?
Man, I'm like testing this case right now, and it just barely fits on the Susan.
Oh.
So like you like the tiniest little thing, and it's like dunk. It's like
I love when that happens.
What's in your guys' rigs? That's actually a good question. We don't have anything that's like super modern awesome.
Well, speak for yourself, dude. I have
Okay,
a full
well,
liquid cooled
Juan has the
system.
greatest brand new power whatever.
It's not new, but it's a liquid cooled system built
Oh,
by
yeah.
me.
But I'm saying like, you know, we don't have 5090s. We're not out here,
Oh,
yeah, you know, swinging that. Nah, I've got a 3800X and a 6750 XT, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and
no, this is the last one.
it's still been going.
Last one?
Yes.
Okay.
No need to upgrade.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
using a 3080 in an EK water block with a 5800X 3D 10th anniversary AM4.
Just really proud of that.
that I just got last week that I really love. In an Amazon case, an open air case, but it's actually kind of neat. I love how it looks. But yeah, it's all old specs. Nothing too crazy.
Yeah, we're pretty out of date.
Hey man, my CPU came out like 2
That's
weeks
true.
ago. What are you
Yeah,
talking-
yours did. Yeah,
What are you talking about?
I'm out of date.
I'm just.
How do you even up? Oh, sorry. Ooh, that doesn't pass the lazy Susan test. Fail.
Low key, right?
You joke, but there's been one time where we had a case that was so heavy that I was like, I think it's great. I think I have to fail it on heaviness.
And yeah, we still put on this.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did the Haven. How do you even upgrade with a water-blocked builder? You get a bucket.
Well, it's easier with soft tubing. Soft
Yeah, that's
tubing
true.
is off the rip is easier, but if you're upgrading like a water block component, oh fuck! Like, I literally had a 750 Ti on the floor of my room for like 3 months, just there, and I ended up selling it.
Heavy case will fall off the UPS truck. I mean, that's the thing is like the physics of it is like, okay, and if it's heavy empty, imagine when it has a 5090 and a big AIO and like a chunky
Yeah.
1200 watt power supply. And then imagine when somebody's like, ow, this hurts, and drops.
Yeah, full packing component.
Yeah. That being said, when we did tell them, we didn't have any issues with that. But it's my job to worry, because if I don't, and then a problem happens, it's on me. In your opinion, which case has the best cooling? That's a great question. I would say most of the ones that have 3-fan, mesh front,
Yep.
1 rear exhaust, Montech Performance 1, that case, fantastic.
Yeah,
Exact
the
same
ones-
temperatures with the front on versus with off. You love that.
The cases that look like the case that like your dad would have used, those have the best cooling.
Fish bowls can still have good air cooling, don't
They
get me wrong. Mm-hmm. King 95 is really good air cooling, for example. You lose a little bit in the 11 Vision without the top fans there, but it's still acceptable cooling. It wouldn't have passed if it wasn't. But yeah, usually mesh fronts. Like if airflow's the thing you're worried about, that's the one. I can tell you though, any case that we sell on our website has good airflow. It's a requirement.
Yep. Just some are gooder than others.
Yeah. For the most part, they're all really good.
Yeah, they're all good.
They've learned to not send me cases that. Corsair 4000D is excellent for airflow. Yeah, Corsair, I mean, yeah. Mesh front, love it. My PC looks weird because I have all these components in a height Y70 touch because I moved the components from like this old tank case after Christmas. Yeah. It is always funny when you migrate the components to a new case and it's just like everything kind of feels off because it wasn't built like with that aesthetic in mind, and it's like, alright. Sometimes it's like a temporary thing though, you know? You either build on it or something. You could also be like my friend who bought a really expensive, very glass-heavy Thermaltake case that is very nice for display, and then he moved, and it had to face the wall. And he was like, man, moving this sucked, it was so heavy. But, yeah. Man, I'm thinking about Christmas, man. Christmas!
In a bad or good way? I think.
No, in a good way, because then I get to put up my True Tone.
The light bulb.
I really want them to put to get like a sign that's like a True Tone family. Like I would put it in my yard. It'd be so great.
Why?
Because I love them and I want
You
their
love
company.
signaling that you're better than everybody else?
I want their company to succeed. And I love their product. That's the main thing, is I want them to eventually make like in-home stuff that looks like incandescent. Like shut up and take my money. I so would.
Like, just go work for the R&D at this point.
I would, but they're in like Utah.
Oh, damn. Bro, that's one state away. What do you mean?
That is 2 states away. You have to go through Nevada.
Yeah, one state. And then Utah.
2 states.
No, you're counting Utah. Utah is one state away.
So, by that logic, Nevada is 0 states away?
No, Nevada is next to us. Stop poking holes in my argument.
Can also get some inverted cases. Ooh. People want to put their towers on the left. I know, we should really...
There should be left-facing PC cases.
Sometimes it's just what they send me, though. Then we could sell them at the leftatorium. I guess actually this doesn't matter if you're left-handed, but...
Yeah, we could sell left-handed jeans.
Mm. I don't know how many inverted cases there really are, though. There's gotta be some, right?
We had the 011 Evo that you could flip. But it by default was normal. And it was, let me tell you, a pain in the ass.
Yeah. For those who really want it.
Yeah.
How much do you want to see inside? I need to get some left-handed keyboards. Oh, I never even thought about that. Because, well...
Wait, what? You're trolling, bro.
I don't know. I think it could be annoying to be like, number input. Like... I guess you could act... Wait, hold on. No.
No, you just get a numpad and put it on this side. What do you mean? They make detached numpad.
I have to Google. I have to Google something.
You're trolling, Barutu.
Left-handed keyboard. Left-handed or southpaw keyboard repositions the numeric keyboard to the left side. That's exactly what I said.
Wait, let me see. Oh, yeah. Is it still WASD? Oh, what the hell? That doesn't look right in my brain.
Because the world's built for you.
Yeah, that's right.
Not for the left-handed.
It's weird because you have WASD, but then you have directional keys right there. So,
man, going to images was bad because you just get those like really weird keyboards. And you're like, how do you use this? Like,
yeah.
This seems harder. Do you guys know any tech companies based in California? Tons of them.
Yeah, dude, Apple.
You don't know Apple?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I've been to ASUS's headquarters.
I know of Apple.
Yeah. Newegg's actually right around here.
Oh, yeah, Newegg is in City of Industry.
I guess it depends on like what you mean by like tech.
That's true. That's pretty
I've known
broad.
people who've like worked for Microsoft. I've known people who worked for Intel.
Oh,
Got you.
yeah, I don't know if right now is the best time, but I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah. Most of the, well, I was like, most system integrators, at least here in California, we're kind of around City of Industry.
Yeah, City of Industry
And
Walnut.
then, like, we're kind of the furthest out east.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. Mostly it's like server size out here.
But yeah, it never hurts to, like, kind of just look around and see what's out there. Especially once you just, like, graduated. I know how tough that, like, job search is. The first job you get out of college is the hardest. I just went back to the old comic book shop for a while.
You might have good luck in enterprise.
Yeah. They'll pick you up. No, I'm just kidding. NVIDIA in Cali. Which state are you in?
NVIDIA's in NorCal, bro. This is a whole different state.
A lot of stuff is in Silicon Valley. Doesn't say there isn't tech down here. Qualcomm's in San Diego. I just know because I grew up with a lot of people whose parents were.
Oh yeah, Seagate or WD is in Irvine. One of those two.
Seagate's in Silicon Valley because I drove by their warehouse.
Okay, WD's.
It's gotta be WD then, yeah. Or they just have two locations.
remote
Yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
we're not thinking about this enough.
They're a huge company. I'm sure there's smaller offices everywhere.
I'm back. Can you rate a King 95 in white, RTX 270? Yeah, that one, especially like the one at Best Buy you're talking about. Yeah, that's a really good PC. Honestly, it's solid. You can throw any game at it, and it's gonna be able to handle it. Yeah, it's fantastic. It's got good RAM in it, good GPU, great CPU, and the case is fantastic. Really good airflow. So yeah, I was like, really can't do better than that, like, in that price range. Forza Horizon 6? Yeah, it should be fine for that. If you want more frames, you're probably gonna have to play in 1080p, but in 1440 you should be able to get like a solid, I would say, on a 5070, probably a solid 100 frames. Easy, not more. W moved HQ in 2017 from Irvine to San Jose. Rip.
Oh! Okay, I knew it, because I knew I'd seen their fucking...
Okay. Are you team NVIDIA or AMD? I'm team, what can I afford?
Yeah, seeing what's in my budget.
Here's what I always say. If it was like free and someone was like, hey, pick a GPU, I'm going for the NVIDIA every time.
Yeah,
If it's me and my wallet, I'm going for the Radeon. You know what I mean? Because like for me, it's close enough, good enough performance, definitely, to the NVIDIA competitor, and it's significantly cheaper. But yeah, I do think the NVIDIA is technically better.
Well, there's no 9080 XT, so I'm definitely, if it's free, I'm definitely asking for that 5090.
Okay, so better than my Xbox X? Yes.
Oh yeah.
Team personal bank account numbers stay on the plus side. Yeah, that's my jam. I want to buy some land. Ooh, now you're talking my language. What are we doing with said land? I keep wanting to buy like a lot, like, you know, just one of
A
those
lot
like
of what?
empty lots.
Oh.
Just like something and like start working on something on it.
But then just working the land.
Yeah, you know, just like so, like I still have my other job, but then, you know, every so often I go over to the other land and I work on building something there. Yeah.
Pulling the
Like
soil.
a very tiny blueberry farm, or an iris farm. Or a farm of something else. Fig farm.
Big farmer?
No, fig farm.
Oh, fig farm.
But yeah, Route 2, what do you want to do with land?
Oh, land in New Jersey? Damn, dude. You're dreaming big.
Flower farm should be good money. Problem is finding customers, yeah. I don't know, we've got a lot of like, what is it, U-pick in my area, so I'm wondering if I could do like, just for the like couple of weeks that irises tend to bloom, just be like, yeah, you could come and cut some irises, make your own little bouquet for a lot of money, take some photos with a stupid like stand-up thing of wood that I painted to look cutesy for your Instagram, go on a little date, and then at the end of the season, sell the bulbs. Divide and sell, but yeah, I've never successfully grown an iris as of yet, so maybe I should wait until I do that.
One step at a time.
I'm AMD because price to performance and my barely just paid off my student debt wallet. Ooh, I feel that, yeah. Grow some lettuce in case of Taco Bell outbreaks. Yeah, always money there. Just wait for that or the E. coli and then just be like, hey, I got some independent lettuce. Only problem is my bank account, my whole setup on Best Buy is like $3,200. Whoo! Oof, yeah. Yeah, maybe wait for a sale, at least on some of the other like peripherals and such. Piece it out bit by bit, but yeah. Because, like, with our PCs, you get a keyboard and mouse in box. They're nothing fancy, but they'll get you started. You really only need, like, a monitor to go with it. And then you can kind of, like, upgrade other things as time goes by. Have you ever seen mushroom farms? No. I've looked into growing mushrooms before, but it
Oh,
seemed
now you're talking about it.
just a little too complicated because I love a good mushroom, like shiitake. Yeah. Except I think those are the ones that you have to make sure that you cook all the way or they'll kill you.
Oh.
So maybe not those ones. Beach mushrooms, love them.
Magic?
No, definitely not.
No. Lame. That's where the money's at.
Or like some really big portobellos. Yeah.
What do you think about pizza?
I just love
Trying to build an empire, bro.
I love a good mushroom.
Pizza sounds good.
Dude, don't it? Yeah.
With some portobello mushroom.
Actually, if you cook portobellos down, like you can make a really good kind of broth out of them. They like release a ton of like juice when you cook them. And they make like a really good like pasta base.
Which one's the one that screams?
I don't know.
There's one that screams when it's cooking. Basically, like sounds like it's boiling. Which I guess probably makes sense because it might have a lot of moisture.
Yeah. Dude, my carnivorous plant, it had like it's my oh my gosh, what the heck? It's one of the ones that looks like Victory Bell. And it had one of the little dudes on it, but I don't know if it was like starting getting dry or whatever, but it like shriveled up. And it's been slowly growing another one, and it's almost opened all the way. And we have ants in the house, and I can't wait to just be like, here you go, bud. Feeding you. The carnivores are pretty cool. I want to get more of those. Yes, the motherboard where all of the RGB is on the bottom of the board.
Gotta love it. That's cool. This
It's
case
a
has
very interesting design choice. Like, okay.
this case has a controller. It doesn't affect me.
Mm-hmm. Part of me wonders if they like designed everything down and then they were like, where'd you put the RGB port like headers? And it's just like,
Oops.
oh crap, yeah. Everything at the end.
Yeah. I don't know. There's an ASUS, I think X87? I don't remember. There's one that's exactly like that too. Like, really, guys? With all the things you could have ripped off, that's what you chose?
Man, I really want portobellos.
Just a mushroom, nothing else? No topping?
I like honestly on a skewer on a barbecue, yeah. No, it's enchilada night. I have to keep my mind on that. Enchiladas. Pizza with mushrooms you can pick up on the way home. You're right. You're so right.
Stop it! Put portobellos in the enchiladas.
I could, except I didn't buy any.
Yeah.
Which is funny because like 2 weeks ago I did buy the portobellos and then I just was
They
like,
just went back.
well, they were the baby bellas. Which are
Baby
cheap.
bellas.
They're like the small ones,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, they make a great soup, like base, truly. Get some heavy cream, put in there, yeah. Oh my gosh. Man, maybe I'll make soup this weekend. That could be a good use of my time. Stay calm indeed. I keep checking the mail and being like, when is the next issue of Better Homes and Gardens gonna show up?
Oh my god.
It's been forever. I just think about that because they had a whole thing on soups in the last
What the heck?
bunch of soup recipes.
Is that the Martha Stewart one?
No, that's Martha Stewart.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, no, Better Homes and Gardens is just
Better Homes
just
and Gardens.
better. Yeah. I think it originally was a play on Homes and Gardens, which was a magazine in the UK.
Oh.
Yeah.
Better Homes. American Homes and Gardens.
Yeah, literally, I think that's what it is. But yeah, I don't know, it's actually like kind of cool. I wanted to get back into like, you know, magazines. Trying to just take things back a few years. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They got some like, they're kind of like up to date. They were talking about like, you know, with gardens and all this, and like planting native, and like doing like lawn alternatives, and it was just really interesting. I was like, wow, okay. We might have left magazines, but magazines, they've grown actually.
I think there's an appetite for alternative media. Now that like the internet is kind of
Lame.
yeah, with a lot of words, but like zines and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, like smaller creators.
Mm.
All that stuff I feel like is picking up.
Yeah. It's interesting. Who knows what the 30s will be like?
Oh man.
That's like not far away at all,
Oh
too.
god. Ugh, the 30s.
It's like time to put you into a crisis.
Stop.
Man.
I'm already in my 30s.
Yeah. I saw something that was basically like, what is it? 35 is such a weird age because 15 years ago you were 20, and in 15 years you'll be 50.
Oh my god.
It was like, oh no.
Damn, where is that? Damn, that's coming up.
That's coming for me, yeah. Mhm.
Sheesh.
I still got some time. How much time? Math. Oh yeah, actually that will be my next birthday.
Ouch.
At least I'll be hitting another like milestone before then, so I can feel less bad about it. Be like, no, I'm doing stuff.
I guess. Yeah. That's true. But still, goddamn.
Are you ready for the responsibilities of middle age? I
No.
think so. Oh, we're in different places. It's like, yeah, I bought a vacuum. Like, I think I'm there. Yeah. Yeah. If you meant like, you know, taking care of my aging body, that one I'm still worried about. Juan, ready to get a van?
No, never. Never.
I don't know, man. Vans are cool. Like, you can't tell me that like his van isn't like awesome.
Sure. I mean, like a novelty one, that's fine. But like a Honda Odyssey, like what do I need a Honda Odyssey for? I'm not having kids.
Okay, but you and a bunch of buddies in the Honda Odyssey. Doesn't sound fun.
Counterpoint. A hatchback.
How many people can you fit in a hatchback?
5.
Yeah, but how many people can you fit in a van? Like 8.
Yeah, probably 7 or 8.
That's right.
I don't want that many friends.
I don't know, man. When I was in college, we had nowhere to go because like no one's parents wanted to host us. And, like, you know, school
Yeah, I'm
closed
sure. Yeah,
down.
van life was probably
School
kick-ass.
closed down at like 9, and so what we'd do is we'd go to a Food for Less parking lot, all in my friend Daisy's van. Every single seat was taken by us, and we would just hang out and talk
that's
and
a
play
whole third
games.
space when you're.
It was awesome. Like, actually, the like hand-me-down van to the new driver, kind of a flex.
Well, you see, the thing is, I'm a grown man, so it's kind of different.
I'm saying, like,
If I was like, yeah, in my 20s.
I also like the idea of being like, hey, family, let's go to National Park. and we will drive car, like, you know.
Oh, absolutely not. I'm not the one driving.
Oh, see, I love driving. I want to be the one driving
I'll take
to
a
anything.
shift, yeah, but I'm not. Hell.
I think that's how I knew that I was destined to be like the head of the family eventually. Is I'm like, none of you want to drive. One of you can drive and will drive, but I don't trust you to. So yeah. You gotta buy a zoo like Matt Damon. There's an option.
A zoo?
I don't know, at this point I'm like, acre plot of land for irises sounds pretty similar. Oh, Mayo, you're daily, bro. One's gonna get a flatbed truck before he gets a van.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. See, I could
flatbed
add
trucks are
more
really
uses
cool.
for a flatbed.
I just hate it because I feel like I'm the kind of person who could rock a van and also like literally just like a 2-seater truck. I am both of them. It's that Sylvia Plath frickin' poem about the fig tree. And like, as you see, you know, all the things you could have been out before you, they start rotting as you like take the time to like, well, which one do I want? But it's like with cars.
But a van?
I just checked and there's a new BIOS for my ASUS motherboard. Should I update the BIOS?
Nah.
Eh, not unless you feel like you need to. If you're upgrading something or if performance just seems kind of iffy right now. Otherwise, you're probably fine. One flatbed can give your van a run.
It's not a tow truck.
I don't know, I thought vans were really cool, and then I saw how much they go for, like new, and I was like, what in the...
Yeah, dude, parent tax.
Oof. I don't know, you can still get somebody's Windstar for like $3,000, I'm sure. Windstar!
Are you ever like outside and you just hear the word wind and you just like ruin?
Sometimes.
I'm sorry. Not really. A little bit.
It's been 3 hours and I still can't sleep. Oh, I'm sorry.
Damn, dude.
Dang, yeah, it must be like 3
Oh my
a.m.
God.
for you. Woo!
Yeah, it is probably about to be 4 a.m. if I had to guess.
I'm sorry, bro, man.
Jeez.
We can go commit crimes in the Windstar.
What? Where did that come from?
I was watching this thing and it was like, oh, watch like, you know, commercials from this like whatever time in whatever, you know, for like nostalgia. And the one, it was like also like a program, you know, like you'd watch like an episode of like The Nanny or whatever from like 94, and they would show you all the commercials with it, and like it kept playing the Windstar commercial. But yeah, it was fun. It was a fun like throwback, yeah. Almost 3 a.m. I shouldn't have took a nap at 6 p.m. Oof, yeah, that'll get you.
Damn.
The nap is the trap.
The nap is a trap.
Mm-hmm. Were you watching the Backrooms movie for the past 3 hours or something?
Why?
He was
I didn't
until
know that.
he was until it got copyright stricken again from.
We don't. Wait. How did you know that?
We were talking about it earlier. He was here,
I guess that's true.
and that one ended. So.
That one did end already. It was only like 2 hours long.
Only.
It's a short film, right?
I can't see shit we all were talking about. Exactly. Yeah. He doesn't remember. Windstars. Oh man, my neighbor had one. Not cruises. The car. Give me the car. Oh my gosh. Man, I'm telling you, the cruise business must be doing bad right now, because somebody called me yesterday and was like a person being like, hi, this is Carnival Cruises. Wait, do you have any like travel you want to do? And I was like, no, sorry. And they're like, you sure? Well, I'm gonna reach out with my number in case you want it. Like, and I'm just like, you guys having a hard time? Like, Windstar. Yeah, look at this. Look at this baby.
Dude, ironically, one of the coolest vans is one of the ugliest. Look up the Toyota Previa.
This is what we had growing up, the Caravan. I loved it in powder blue. What was it again?
Toyota Previa. Dude, that, yeah, those. That bitch is all-wheel drive, supercharged mid-engine.
Uh-huh.
Like, why? Why did they pop off on such an ugly vehicle?
97, baby. Have y'all noticed the slowdown? Yeah, a bit, I won't lie. But, honestly, there's other things that have been really picking up. We got 4 live streams today.
Yeah, it's random.
So, like, live stream requests, and
It's
I would
like-
say custom builder sales have been really solid. Our glass etching option's been, like, popping off recently, too. So, yeah, it's like, you know, you lose some in some area, but other areas are growing even, yeah. I have a question about this case. If I want to put a GPU sag bracket, won't it interfere with the fan? Most cases have a solid bottom, so you can add like a Funko Pop or shit. This is different. Correct. So anything that would be like
It has to be in that
telescoping or
little strip.
something, yeah. It would have to be in this little bit that's like right in between here.
Yep.
There are some sag brackets though that attach to like the motherboard or the side there, and that's probably what you'd have to do.
Oh, true. There are ones that screw in.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right.
Mhm.
I forgot.
But yeah, your like classic telescoping one or like Lego hack, much harder to do.
That is pretty hard on this one. I've been watching this Pikachu drink water for like an hour.
Oh, he just left that on. That's so funny.
This is wallpaper.
If
Bro, it's
Timu
getting
didn't
waterboarded.
exist, then I would be buying a piece of plastic for my GPU for like $20. So.
Some Legos, bro.
Hey, Zris, how you doing?
What up, dude?
Welcome in, welcome in. Comes at the tail end, yeah. Which is good. I was like, we need some new blood in here too. I was like, Muhammad came back, thankfully, but I'm like, yeah. So, yeah. Yi Leo and Rue too. Been doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Unless you have a 3D printer. Oh, we have many. But yeah, growing up, our minivan was the Dodge Caravan in powder blue. And man, I loved this car.
Wait, with the fake wood side panel?
No, ours didn't have the fake wood. It was like literally this one.
Oh, okay, so it's slightly newer.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was so cool. I remember in elementary school, like taking my friends over to it and being like, "Yeah, this is ours." Like showing off as though I had like earned it or something. Yeah. But I do remember that, like, when it hit about, like, 100,000 miles, that thing was, like, turning off mid-driving. Like, dangerous stuff of, like, let's get it to the dealership and hopefully not die. I thought y'all were just starting? No, we're at the end here. We had to start early today because we had 4 builds. Yeah.
Wow, imagine starting at 4.
Oof. You would if you could.
Leave me alone.
I'm considering getting a King 95. You think it's worth the price? I think so. I think King 95 is a really good option. Really easy to build in too. So in the future, you don't have to buy a whole new PC. You can just upgrade parts as you go, and it's going to be really easy for you to do that. Very nice to work in. Well, I'm getting 4 done in less than 4 hours. Yeah, it looks like it.
That's kind of my
Yeah.
usual workfloll, yes, when I'm not on camera.
What's your pro for that? I don't know about Kelsey, because if she can drop 1K in a bag, there's no problem for her.
Yeah.
I spend like $70 a week at the grocery store so I can buy a $1,000 vacuum.
And the tree farm, the tree farm.
I haven't bought the tree farm. I'm just saying I would like to buy a tree farm.
What? No. I'm saying at the tree nursery.
Oh yeah, I do drop.
We're not letting that slide
I do
either.
drop some
We're not
serious
sliding, We're not
money
letting that slide either.
at the nursery. If Aiden was here, it would take 5 hours. Oh yeah.
Nah, I think. Anyways, folks, this build is done. It is finished. It is complete.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright folks, this PC is done. He's gonna go and get Windows put on it.
Windows! There you have it.
Oh yes, all the drivers that you need so that out of the box it's ready to go. All you need to do is,
Whatever you want.
sorry, I totally blanked. All you have to do is set up your profile, download your game launchers, and you're good to go. We're also going to stress test this for you. Make sure these components work and work in the load, and when it passes all that, it'll be headed to you. So watch out for it, and thank you so much for ordering with us.
Thank you.
Lovely
Oh, you
PC.
guys finished?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Well,
that's not
soon.
that angel something.
Anyways,
Nah,
thank you guys so much for joining us.
hey, what the hell? Where are you going?
We gotta finish this, okay? Thank you guys so much
Thank you
for
so much.
hanging with us. It was a nice big build stream. We'll probably have a lot more next week too. So thank you once again. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Enjoy your weekend.
Yeah.